financial consultant mamene no emo enkomo oro foreje sompa me menti dwumadi asunie maju o
Oh, Major, so.
obani ye wonyame mu gidie se wo mpom ye anwumre yi
Oh, Nyamiadon. My papa na that form. Also. And I press for a senior Pujana coin.
oh obani ne ye ma wo hyeden pa kafra
Madam,
ame empepa wo ne wabusua nyina ni wamu ne siom fama mu kafra eja sa bria no nso aba pa mu ani se dem seja wapepo wani wamu ne su a wagye pene ye se wo ne bedi nkomo edie ye sere bisa se Bank of Ghana namo a wo mu tu ni na watwi mu over about 97 online loan apps na wo mu tu Ghana for boy enkoko wo ho edi nkan sa na mo ya wo mu tu ye no say na obesia describe no.
Okay, what was the our Quenya Yamano was the so. Because the Bank of Ghana and I'm on no wood, dear. It's my cousin, no fine, so I don't know. Jumadia and Ranastem. Also, oh, yeah. Inti adane danu dia Bank of Ghana eye severance the severance no ohwe omo a omo nya license nanso omo wo plate ohwe na at 930 no extra the duties of a bank ene aduma bia o se bank bi aye na mom the Bank of Ghana se o according to your omo ye na so omo di aba Thank you no mood you deal with them at your own risk. And appropriately, Bank of Ghana are doing their work as is expected of them. That is why our man making that public notice over the weekend about that 97 savings, whether credit after your internet store amount for issue. And the Bank of Ghana have done well to bring them that these people are not worthy to be dealt with. If you are focused now, the Bank of Ghana, almost several and I think it is in the right direction.
Adeba ko obia ti ya na dweba so aye se na Bank of Ghana to me identify won dia wono ye regulator other na in collaboration with other security agencies no wontu wo mo so san.
Okay, see me be asewa ha. So those apps unfortunately for us no ewo internet so and I say technology na abano and I'm not for using them they create those apps and this say me no idea e bet na e ba me anya kios be na store me see the digital marry our Bank of Ghana bit me say this is a physical or specific location our Bank of Ghana for waiting about the police aba there is something running on online. At the end of the day, out. How do you phase them out? Cyber security in those things can go in. But we're going to details for online. And yet details are proper bit in the for at the end of the week, I had a more energy media moody. And the first thing now was the Bank of Ghana, and say, or the Pokon the back. Then you want me and never be a so. Sana manema yenyi na no obi beka se hwan mu so na amasa nkofo no kwan omo operate yes citizens ya o hwese wo phone ukra phone wako Play Store and I want you for App Store so wako mu bi ya na buafo loan na wako download ade no oni mbraji omo wo but then you started to deal with that in finance ya wade bia obi beka se ehwese the DKM God is love. Perfect edge. Blofu bebre dingi baya. Ombe use this the end of the day was a Bank of Ghana who be omo. Na the end of who take you. But app here we deal with them no. There's a lot of problems that clients they are complaining about app no. Obi se me here me tie boss na wie me tie wie no. Automatically almost am me bi. At the end of the day we send tie wie me ka se me nte. So people are going through some stress with those apps, no. But the end of the day, yes, it is now saying who's a DNA, you know. A year and a half, but which means you should the over a trace now, I can't want them, no. And they are make us a DK and Kraba, maybe or Dilipa, ebe fa akwan bi so anense na mfata ni nyina ene DKM fufuro ba kwa yebe di akiri eko kosi ba bi na se nya a nyina ebe so nya ba se aban no but ya ka fa ye ya abia na se eko yi na se ye gi esika na ye complain o the issues no start ya me afi aba aban so na aban so based on political reasons and experience you know man government na be involved in who say make you not in the appropriate Bank of Ghana do the surveillance every quarter and those people who are not licensed to take money or grant loans, you know, Bank of Ghana will make it to the public there. So if we don't deal with them, and the wish we deal with them, you deal with that at your own risk. And if it happens in that way, I was thinking BSC government is channel and a Bank of Ghana channel because citizens, you know, you do a Bianca and you have to them, but Rex Bani after a binary. If the Bank of Ghana cannot chase them, because only more locations. The only best thing the Bank of Ghana can do is to tell the public that these people you can't deal with them because they are not licensed. And therefore, if you deal with them at your own risk. And these are the words you are supposed to match, your own risk. And the Bank of Ghana, this is the best thing that they are supposed to do. If fortunately for us, Bank of Ghana is able to identify them through the cyber security areas, information or the creative app, you know, we can trace them. Here we can go. Bank of Ghana can also enforce it by allowing the law to work. However, the law enforcement agencies like the police will come in. But as it stands now, the Bank of Ghana does not have those information in creating wherever they find themselves. The appropriate and the best thing for them is to make you aware that don't deal with these people. And if you deal with them at your own risk.
Mr. Voria J, you say, ya na ya wo my Ghana mukubi to say Yoko for Data Protection Agency for, and a recently crown Bank of Ghana Nankasano, or my establish one of their agencies, and I say within the Bank of Ghana, no Aquanya, home to me a monitor cyber crime, Nessani, Mania, my yeno, a bear for so bonny for some be a tesano. Yet to me, you saw all these means to clamp down on them, these 97 online loan apps. Nana.
As I said earlier, Bank of Ghana, no, the first a year also, I say, over more aware, so don't deal with them. And I think that they are also taking those steps to get them on board. Because the only say, and I'm going to say, would you appear in your Abronoma? If you ever could create a app, our systems are the woman go for Bosnia, and our DJing go for Sika. The other corner, maybe I also cry a drum answer. This or better to me different. And yet, the internet in the so, Bank of Ghana has to honest Yoko, and even NIB. And on one case, an internal cyber security arrangements now, you know. They have to go beyond certain things. Almost you have practice those people. And Bank of Ghana, I don't think they will just release the list. Now, I think the first port of call is to bring the list and tell people, say, no, these people don't deal with that. They are not licensed. Then the next step is how to get them so that the law will take its course on them. The Minister Bank of Ghana will do that job. They will not just come and tell us, it is 97. They know perfectly, say, nipa there because of the behavioral traits somebody can carry, you know. On phone announcement to be obeyed. And phone announcement to be obeyed in the person who will know when and so nipa there no because could deal. DKM by Omesina make us DKM but it's Diana. Omo musika so we can man quite fast. Why? Because you have Rex Lover. Rex Lover on the Diana say on the take Rex. Your Rex Harvest report there. Or no, you're the one city, a Sompo Mano. And you win there and go for Muno betting. The Bank of Ghana website over specially those reports out. But first, they have to notice you so that you become aware that these people are not worthy to be dealt with. And then they will go ahead and fix them. If you are born parents, the Bank of Ghana will also be stressing them so that they get those people and then the law will take its course so that they punish themselves as a deterrent. Whatever be the case, and now Bank of Ghana didn't tell me about when you say they cry our Bank of Ghana in they believe or but you know, you're born by the Bank of Ghana by not those for no more system no man. at the end of the more higher financial system, no. Because the financial system, no, is still at its infancy because over 70% of our population are still on bank. So when those issues may happen, so it takes people's interest from the banking.
Okay.
Now at the end of the day, bank gets one fast or through which economic growth passes through, no, we are not able to realize in the future. And the Bank of Ghana should also up their game and get this people, brought them to book, so that people will know, say, yes, at the end of the day, the Misika for bank, and after we deal with any online app on the system, at the end of the Bank of Ghana will come in and solve the problem. Now, I say at the end of the day, I think the key was this app. Now, I think you didn't become a bank, and the citizens also what you to your home for. You say, never do I, in Bible, crack as a never know.
Wadi nyina ho kwan.
Ya wadi nyina kwan. As you need na fata. And you know, we should be on our own guys and learn that near the dia na what you be a question. Now yet now say I was say Aban and a Bank of Ghana in the duty and they are supposed to do this. What Bank of Ghana have done in the right direction is the first step. That what we are expecting from Bank of Ghana is to go beyond the girl, fish those supports out, and deal with them appropriately to serve as a deterrent to those people who have even planned to establish those apps in the future.
Obani weya abai no ebetumi aya coincidence so ama other deposit taking institutions ne if you online applications a Bank of Ghana for ankasa agi wo matumu ebe ha wo so so adwen the credible ones.
Yeah, whatever be the case, where the bank system, banking up on the buy, you know. Bank of Ghana about these banks are not doing well. They have liquidity challenge. Almost obvious in those things. At the end of the day, the cleaning system, no, but almost a 5. And my young scientists said the world has become handy in that it is in our palm now. Mobile phone is creating the ADDR. And anywhere you find anybody, you find a mobile phone with them. That is why people are saying that it's better we go that way. Into bank the app, bank the app, phone within a fraction of a second, you can have access to your bank and do a transaction. But here is the case: there's a Bank of Ghana, and any years or more also no, or much app on people back at age. Bank of Ghana cross or more app on us no, or more license say. So now no more do even your problem, let's say, you know, by so doing, affected your online app transactions, not for now, as it stands. Where in America, people will respond to it as it is, especially the risk averse people now make us some more system. Send your most 2 cities, you could have a sum of 10, 5 cities also the Bacano. And the bank of honest answering you, they draw back. Knowing say there is something that you're here, a very affected. And we are then almost credible, or the licenses are they authorized almost they should do the online, whether online credit or online savings or online transactions, you know, a very affected or mokaka. And we are expecting that going forward, you know, the Bank of Ghana thank you. Now people become aware, we will still go back. Yeah, as it stands now, people will go back. They will fall back from the transaction on online or the app transaction.
But then a bema obia ye that attached to online loan application other than going to the traditional financial institutions so be ko sika kura bi ankasa ode nani hunu so okope bosia.
The meka ya no say ya fun nyina wo yensam e kura phone no say convenience obi ati ba bi otinye den eye and people are taking that opportunity even businesses na obi ade ba phone no so and you who say or one app bi aba Ikegia loan app. No, I could download a or me pay 200 Ghana cedis. Me I give information. Me I hear me my name be or the Sika man quick. None is actually Sika. And the amount of us I have seen a major bank. Now, Oko Bank, the appraisal process alone. Kofa Galanta bra. Kofa Yebra. Or Daniel West Wine. One never sign amount. People who, some of who bank, the traditional banking system, no, the loan processes are stringent. and nya ade a friend you mom nti so betima tena dem na you say for Ghana card number sim no dey sim you say boarding sim for house number sim no abo sim now within some 20 minutes and 10 minutes we can fill all those information now the second can as we are human no obe prefer so obe deal with the app quickly than so we traditional banking you have fill a form for bank statement for we bra for my dan e wati bra nti though we see the traditional banking need to be say everything more pager process na emwa
okay
and you know app na dey quick you can kind of quick credit quick loan now ko wani obosi ma no ani ni say obia now ko wani I think that has prepared people to go into those directions rather than some basically the traditional banking procedure area access credit now on maybe it's really easier and because it's easier for them no? In the comfort of in your corners of your home you can access a credit and there's a better way for them to go. That is why people are chasing and I'm a man for some interest will say okay if that's where people are going let's create it. You know, but I say within just 2 or 3 years, 97, the Bank of Ghana releasing those. And I can tell you that we have more. More. That Bank of Ghana severance, maybe this is where they are getting to. And I can tell you on a matter of authority there. So you're quite anymore. Or next month it could be, and Bank of Ghana will add more because there are a lot of them and they are first fishing them out. Because the things are amount for so, yeah. Because the man to be here, I don't think they can continue. Now, on my case, out. The man for whom I make it, but see, I didn't make a nipa patronize a farmer. Now, so I could create it. Now, say, yes, that is why we are doing it. And people find the convenience of dealing with them better than dealing with the traditional banking. That is why I'm also able more money to pay.
Mijao Kram Wako, on the part of the traditional banks, what should be the role Aombe play in curbing these problems?
The traditional banking is facing non-performing loan. They can non-performing loan. Traditional banks on a loan, ABI and 10,000, air connected to 100 million now. About more bank national retrieval 50 million, which is 8,000. Why? Because your rate was in Piabotniano. And the banks are not almost okay. At the end of the day, if you don't pay, then they find a result to get their money. Because you go for deposit, no margin, and almost find them in go for Bosnia. Okay, you have a deficit unit. Deficit unit, and go for the sky, Juma, almost and you also surplus unit. Surplus unit, yourself. And go for this was cabin, or money no person or mother. So what do we do? So bank, every sim. Now I just connect to surplus units, not the amount deficit unit. So by so doing, we got bank and and yet men are opposed to Canada. But it's for the more not a word here. I don't want to be ordinary to cover two or because of the unit can and sign. Not the other year from the bank run. Bank run is a Obia, but over unit can and sign into automatic the bank collapse. And the traditional banks, what you're supposed to Ghana card now, Abano. Everything Abwa. Now, Abaya one stop. Whereby I say, my boy Ghana card number, Sima. Let me know information here about you. Let me access to your connect. Let me access to your passport. Let me access to even your voter card or the swap. When it happens in that way, then the traditional banks can base on that card alone. And they give you loan as quick as possible. Because also, because your job will pay for it. You need to air then or ya abaya juma into the bank car. Can't find a bank, I'm messing about your film. Okay, traditional banks loan within 24 hours. So pay for it for brown, namin famao. So going for a traditional bank, have to depend on the Ghana card only if it's going to help them to get all the information about the creditor. I think we can do well in that area so that we can shorten the time the processing loan. So it is better to deal with the traditional banking than going to those unscrupulous apps on the internet. At the end of the day. But so say another challenges go move that online Nema no. You have received a lot of complaints about Nema or Mudia Dibimo. If you are also already, when you answer to your mobile menu, no, can offer no one can get to account to them, which you are not aware. Because of what you give those information now, when time media, at the end of the day, they can have access to your account, or send you defrauded. And a lot of people have become victims.
It's simple, so I said, you apply, I know when you're simple.
No, and you also are careful. And you are not all that greatest is good. Now you say, and you say, a quick my engineer the entire program. So now I've received about the complaints from people. My complaint terms or more discuss, more cordial Bosnia. If you app to be so, app on the year, or much year, they don't need the money again, but app nothing after your musica. Or can't discover person accounts. And see, there's a lot of things going on, but the victims, you know, in your mom, Kai, he said, yeah, no opportunity, I can't be more of a cancellation. And the citizens in now say, be careful when dealing with those people. My name, I just do, my mom, what's for the maybe I'm a throwman, emergency, or him in your Sabbath. Sometimes they after the emergency, what happened? Now you money there better than those things. So traditional banks, you know, I think say going forward, the Ghana card is going to help. Now you find a reference, maybe we issue those kind of turnovers in terms of loans. Now you're the man to follow. Now you say within 12 hours, within 6 hours, if you're able to grant loans to citizens now, they will prefer dealing with the banks that they know that the physical evidence are there. Of course, Zenith Bank is here, NIB is here, AGB is here, one said dining, so that they know that these people we are dealing with now, they are recognized and they are regulated in their license by the Bank of Ghana. And therefore, when I'm dealing with them, I deal with them with a risk of near zero than those people we do on the app.
Mr. Foreje, SOMPA, me maintain my dear Sunni, and you bring a mishra pa, brepa when ya any a dinkomo. As you for Bernardo Foreje, a financial consultant, and a 1 million nimdia mudo, a Bank of Ghana, Kokwa, or the boy, and I journey live on Facebook this one. Bo SOMPA FM, na mentre wa die bi, SOMPA 98.9 FM. Da bia un se anwumre na medi kan atwe wadwen krasi so amfa ansana opani kan ye ho wa homa ne so se nya asem bia wo beti ne sese wugidi hwade bi enne udi abraye Facebook page ho me be se me ma wo ahwe se de be ya wo hunu bibi a wonyi ni so simple uyo bia you are easily gullible ahwe wo do nsa be kwa akohade bi mo be wie no na won nsa ho nyina aworo udi abraye Facebook na menche wade bi hwe. And they will call a month for social media handles. Ye near Bray live program, ye show near my Beman Crawford ball who a 2 for a down hosono. No, about commented. With me, my airtime, unlimited bundle. What is the way you call a bully Libya? Who they brave Facebook one of her? And ye, some bois, where a calabully. A calabtacos no be answer, she will be a say. Chiche airtime ena wutiasi a obenya sei ya na ne ukwa abefo kwan so a ukọ multi tv ne so a abu wo ho wo se ne 100 Ghana cedis a obenya 1000 Ghana cedis eni e ma me 900 cedis na fa 100 Ghana ne free mu but insisa hesa sa obi ada ne ho so obi ani ho a ompesika o atapoku yi SOMPA no kana so obi ka se sika nya fa pen wonani obi anim se sika ede hwan na mpesika sagari bi weto nyo se wan da bi mara ori hwan na bi ma nanka onni obi apesika na so abusuafo abra so se ebe ma yeni aba ye ho so se so obi ma osika bi ato obo ase na duedue mu kwa akire oso wo ma 50 cedis a na ya double na ye 500 Ghana cedis isa so konya no wai. So send 50 cedis command no so send 500 cedis amount no nya ne wen okofa free he hwade fa me ko akire na me mfa ncha ase wani mu ho it is our online applications are wo se wo ma loans a Bank of Ghana say Ghana for obi antu ne hofo ne won hwe wo mu yie no e bi e flash cash ebi din eye Accra na wo ho no Accra ebi ye GH London ebi ye Mo Loan ebi ye den Rapid City ebom Rapid City tie online loans application ebi di 100 cedi cedi help mass cedi consult cedi boom cash loan pro air cash Akua payment for credit biemu kakra na ade sana mani so ya me kasekewa afei ebi eye Ghana lending ebi ye Akon credit ebi eye Ghana loan na won Ghana loan de no won Ghana no won spell no GANA ti senka o my Ghana din an ka ye GHANA no online application loan we no de won spelling of Ghana no eye GANA nti eye Ghana ana Ghana loan okay ena March loans Ghana ena we ye mbosia ebi eye Momo cash loans prime loans easy access loans cash power online loans dosun o join your live on Facebook bo SOMPA FM na fei wa be hwe enkrata yi a edaso yi na enrada na enye easy at the national headquarters of the New Patriotic Party o join your live on Facebook abehwe wa wani so ade me pese yetie wei ansa na bedwafo atena se wow it is becoming a history. Yeah, this is historical. Enra Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia wakofa krata so opese ogina na oyo mampani MPP amanyokuo no din mu ne senti ese so return krata no na di adanse se ade na obefa no wa mini so opemampani na di na nra ode krata ne ko wow. We join you live on Facebook about SOMPA 98.9 FM, but SOMPA 98.9 FM. Na hewa ni swadiye. NPP amanyokuo chidifo, ebi ye mrashebedwafo, ebi ye aswafo adadafo afofrofo, achidifo efiri mantama huduo ni mu, grassroots fo, constituency executives, regional executives, police station executives. Nipa ni botwi ene kodi Dr. Bawumia chinra na asema me bisa me ho ne se we ye pagya me kwaso na gemati kobo fom ni bia na se it is possible ampa who say obia wayi nani mu MPP amanyokuo ni dimu pesa presidential position yi bia die no o wona semu a wode campaigning Dr. Bawumia dia wo mete o say it is possible just say ebetumi ayeye it is possible say obetumi abedi MPP amanyokuo nanim it is possible say wo mo si break the 8 wo betumi break 8 no enra me hunu ni padom yi a wo hwe wo Facebook no me bisa me ho say it is possible say indeed they are poised for action to break the 8 and say yempagya ne nkosoro like show boom ni apai na tiko enra with joy and how do I describe them okasa say
I brought honesty, hard work, dedication and discipline to my role as vice president. Notwithstanding the economic challenges of our time, our government has constructed more infrastructure than any other government in the Fourth Republic. And many transformational policies have been introduced for the first time in our history, including mass issuance of the Ghana card, the digital address system, mobile money interoperability, delivery of medicines by drone, one district, one fact, planting for food and jobs, Zongo Development Fund, Agenda 111, free TVET, free SHS, to mention just a few. We have also created over 2 million jobs in 6 years, more than any other government in the Fourth Republic. My dear friends, having implemented these transformational policy initiatives, It is very important that we don't go backwards as a country. We cannot put this country back in the hands of people who don't have an understanding of and a belief in this vision. That is why it is important for us to break the AIDS. There is still so much more to do. I have my own vision for Ghana. I believe that it is time to move Ghana to the next level by building on the foundations we have put in place so far. Together with you, I want to see a Ghana where we leverage technology, data, and systems for inclusive economic growth. I brought honesty, hard work, dedication, and discipline to my role as Vice President. Notwithstanding the economic challenges of our time, our government has constructed more infrastructure than any other government in the Fourth Republic. And many transformational policies have been introduced for the first time in our history, including mass issuance of the Ghana card, the digital address system, mobile money interoperability, delivery of medicines by drone, one district, one fact, planting for food and jobs, Zongo Development Fund, Agenda 111, free TVET, free SHS, to mention just a few. We have also created over 2 million jobs in 6 years, more than any other government in the Fourth Republic. My dear friends, having implemented these transformational policy initiatives, it is very important that we don't go backwards as a country. We cannot put this country back in the hands of people who don't have an understanding of and a belief in this vision. That is why it is important for us to break the AIDS. There is still so much more to do. I have my own vision for Ghana. I believe that it is time to move Ghana to the next level by building on the foundations we have put in place so far. Together with you, I want to see a Ghana where we leverage technology, data, and systems for inclusive economic growth.
Abisafo Enra Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene ne krata koye na okasa sei ti odwane live on Facebook bo SOMPA FM ye Facebook no ye SOMPA FM ana SOMPA 98.9 FM SOMPA 98.9 FM na hwade ba ko bi ewo Facebook ho Global Info Analytics for woman hwehwemu a ombisa MPP delegates woman ye no results na wo ho no odwane ye live on Facebook bo SOMPA FM woman saying MPP delegates are woman woman din come from selected constituencies in the 16 regions of this country. Emu 34.8% is saying it is possible Dr. Bawumia yepe. Emu 27.9% is saying Alanchemantia na yenim. Emu 12.5% say yepekote ya aboa. Honorable Kennedy ohine Japan. Wamu aka no emma wamu benya nuru 1%. Enti as it stands, using the analogy of and the survey and the research of Global Info Analytics, Dr. Bawumia and lead war NPP for one primary sir, Ombekwa elected presidential candidate no. And you may a young common woman mighty Juma dear so now common no any. Sir, dear will show Facebook so SOMPA 98.9 FM. And it's said no Dr. Bawumia ko file the nomination. Abeya dance ye trodo say Dr. Bawumia nanim eba on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party. So we near or be pray abeyo mampanin. And you may baby say ho say. Ono na ye hwehwe. Some people amamuo asini ya Dr. Bawumia o kan success story ne ho. Se ansi MPP amamuo we yi a he is part of the failure. Enti so ma succeed ya oka ho, so ma failing so a oka ho. Enti ade na bema yen go for Dr. Baomia. Ade enti na say you go for Dr. Baomia nwumre yi wo ye nkomo kase he wo me manti dwumadie yi eso. Na Electoral Commission say said the amanofo atumi abom tirim podada edefa Electoral Commission ne ho. Electoral Commission ye dien chenchenia ye de yenya kase ye ne nya adwene de ye ne nya adwene yenya kase de yisi ye no enye ne de enye oye papa kura ye ntai na chi ye mfoa so enti wo mo so atu wo mo hofo se ade wo kwa wo ye den kura enye political parties ni bi fe nti wo de ye focus no yenye adwuma anyumre ye bedi hu nkomo ne ye bisa ye ho se ni senti ye nya de ye pe se Electoral Commission ye bibi enye political parties ni bi fe nti no isi nya de wo pe isi nkwaso anka se wo de ma menya ni bia because me ye said den kura political parties ni bi de enye wo mo fe isi nya sa na isi could do better obetumi ayeyie do kotoko ne house ko ball a said ye tie bia ball ne be kwa wie obete referee no kra na as water house for achi referee no kra penalty no ogema kotoko ne de na ya awam referee we de ohwe de no oyeyi a asa no wage house for sika referee de ohwe de no oyeyi a wo be pagya na tade no kra no na kotoko jesi hyase obi a wo de obeka but obi a owani in football to say Shiva no ne Madridista no ne Papa Clef no wo mutumi hwebo ni di from I dey starting copying I dey ponka said the referee was fair. Enti political analyst any political party members binu a wo mo ankasa mfa wo mo political colors in kata wo mani no could tell say adie we die decision we there irrespective of the fact to say in favor my political party na be detrimental to my success no still the EC was fair, the EC got it right. EC na to me anyini ayesa de no ana because the independent of the Electoral Commission no one of the processor ya the natural democracy e wo my Ghana mu. Electoral Commission na ntumi anyina brane wanyina nkrenkre na decision na wo beteki anamu obetu in consultation with IPAC no sa anya de ye free and fair anya de ebema wo man na konanim na de ojammom beba e ma kire wadwen na menkire madwen mamuo no enyini da anyumre hu nkomo no eda ha wo SOMPA 98.9 me manti dwumadie so no wotwe abon de me de twa to akwanya ba mu aye bedi eti IMF enkomo no ye di awie Honorable Kenoforiata oyeden yenja ne kwan ana yenja no ntena ho sisi aga na ekoyie ana meboa sa ga na ekoyie ana sabu obi say me be power sum we studio ho calm down a question sa ga na ekoyie nti yenja no mane wo ho ana say his excellency bo a wo share Ghana for say wo de MPP ma wo mo sorry samra shebedwafo say Honorable Kenoforiata nkonkoje na home na nsafoforo ye nso ne hwe no oka kire wo say mumma ye wie IMF nkomo no ye wie IMF nkomo no a we will know the way forward ye wie IMF nkomo no first tranche aba nti still ye ma won tena ho ana say the call for his removal no and intensify ye revisit ni enhemu kena anyumre ye di wo SOMPA 98.9 mpacho wo ba ye Facebook ne so an bo SOMPA 98.9 FM SOMPA 98.9 FM mpacho wo ba ye Facebook ne so a na waja wo comments no e de ato ho amaye na afa ya kenkan e de Amawura Abdul Samad Nuruddin e na ye twetwefo e de ma PNC amanyokuo no e wo bono mantami mu ne height ni ti se kube ni pepe eye kube opa mani sorry nyana fa camera ne to ne so kube pepe this time no obi abehwe ne ho no belong to a political party to we na won wa you belong to the CPP akokɔ no nwa bebree ehu akokɔ ntumi nyɛ tenten wo so no nyɛ pɛ na wo mu odu pa obu no twi no you belong to the NPP so ehu na wo yo bi a wo mpawia umpensuo nsuo peteketekete kura ji so ri chinye si so you belong to the NDC machawie Abdul Samad Nuruddin good evening.
Good evening.
Na empomunity saying
Alhamdulillah na monso
Nyankopɔn adom yenso ye ho ye pa sisi ade ahoden abakama ai nyame ne ebuafo bibia be fine ye da se anwumre se waba but briefly ansana ye wura this enkomo imu no PNC ne ema mu tesɛn said the NPP enura na wo hwɛ MCR Brown Fameko Facebook ne hwɛ delegates and as supporters of Dr. Bawumia. Can we see this group of people, these numbers flowing any PNC candidate? PNC send them a home here for 2024.
Right, Mamindi can chair on a producer or technician or hema or monso more social media and so anya feeding so I should be a TV. Na or monso a programming is intino. Omo under omo train say
Ain't you ain't you Obani mesro ma wasisa o microphone ama menti no mesro nka o betena ni say anka mani beje ho pa am say we no me nya wo kasa ne clear said de me hwehwe no no nti mesro bra ni say ma me na ha de minim say ho ne be clear ya na me nsa be nkum so me mpenti me pe ha say no good akwa babio good ti na me bisa say PNC ahoboa ne wo mo nhyehyɛ yete sen ahead of 2024 mo so ma ye poised for victory na mo de mato opposition wha na mo pe.
All right, Mamindi kan chia o seni me dikan kan na man chia o younger ya or spearhead in Myanmar on the social media say omonso a omo sector no so be nya bia hwe na o producer as well and all people are omo matter the success of this renowned radio station. Na menchia achieve on so a myriad do say omonda na omote ho etwen say program yi beba omo fans and omanda penyi bia obia be emfa ho bibia nipa no tie ye free ye chia obia anwumre and PNC asema wa bisa I think say there is one unfortunate incident at PNC, in Bono region. And I think that it is only natural for us to admit that some of these challenges are part of us and we must at all time ensure that you are prepared towards, meeting some of these challenges. Near Ato PNC in Bono region is that our women organizer what Diano Mana Fano Yahereno. Oh, right, and it's unfortunate
very
we are
unfortunate.
mourning, and I think that your station will help me carry this message to the outside world that we are bereaved. And any fine so say you about and I can't send my PNC na yanka side and on behalf of your noble platform and that of the party regional hierarchy we give a very warm to the family of the late Rocky Adams. Say we solidarize with them, we console them in this difficult time and know that almost say cool enough since I get them out. Krabia be tested deaf. Okay. Na do stage being so me say nyamenko ha nka ye de na court. Because near money be wo ho a yes, one aka yana nipan tiase ampa ye ntiase me mo ne bi wo ho a wo ya ya hweyi kakra na de yawo kese bre nipa nti that is the sad story of what is happening on PNC ever this region. And with regards to the national spheres of PNC, I think that I don't really appreciate the fact that people try to sort of compare a crowd in particular, a crowd of Dr. Baumia to any other crowd in politics. You understand? He's somebody at the preliminary stages of politics now. Obama, Obia admire, penasem, agency, and whatever. But I think that when the mantle was given to him to actually showcase near waka seje odie baton ni jene ye menhwe ne obeye no afi na wa ka se sasabro ha no nkwi a che no mokoda hospital 1 week ni nti munya abotre mame and stuff like that. Sa nuema ni nyina I think say it is clear for Ghanaians to see say Dr. Baumia crowd na wanya no. I mean he's enjoying the incumbency, advantage, and it is only proper for us to look at it on that perspective.
Okay.
Na admit say not all the candidates can enjoy that kind of crowd na wanya no. But I am telling you on record, say he's not going to be the one leading the MPP.
Really?
So we know amoye no. So we know amoye no. If it is anything to go by, I think say you bear with me say after we know almost saying in case because we say obi an we ni.
Yeah.
Yes, run off beba. And run off ne ba. Why na dey ne support bema why?
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah, run off Kobemwa.
That is it. So, then run off bebam.
Run off bebam.
Oh, exactly. Say run off ba.
Run off beba between
Alan ne Baumia.
Okay.
You understand? Say run off Koba. Why na dey ne dey supported Baumia ana supported Alan. And that is the problem. So I think that
say Obiabe really one touch.
No. You see that kind of crowd geared towards say what nipa ni so say yes, all the party folks are in my support, they support me and whatever. But the reality is that there is no difference between near warrior and practically near what me exhibit our government. Because obisa questions, a very rhetoric question. Obia antimia answer. Yeah, you hear obia hwene yenko anim. Bibi Ghana ekoi ye gidi se niama atoto yi. Hwan na ye na sudi se sa niama wo mboa ma ntoto yi. Enya ba omia ya. Nti o answer on ho sen ekoyi ana ebekoyi daben. And that is the question we are asking. So if say such a person comes out and be na say Bible no kan we say Quran no kan we say dien kasa no kan na o chere say the popularity awonya in opposition say gidi anaye wo ma no sa time no eno ne ne yekuta nda o pese wo ye fair to himself nipa gidi e wo Baumia mu nda aye kasa yi swate by 50%. Or
your vice president, or your president, or say, I have my own vision for Ghana. And I know Obobo Bisi saying, under his watch as the vice president, then the officer, will to me formulating certain policies, ministries, agencies, and departments, and implementing. What to me the BB say mobile money interoperability aba. Among others.
Baumia bano na me construction. Baumia bano na NDC government the system bia ba ye friend no giftmas. Na ewo ho. Wo be 2 years. So if you are improving upon it, we nya na the buy. Baumia by telecosi say that interoperability no. Yes. Those days, yes, one has to take the initiative. But boss ben about me at the Maya and son will be a vice president.
Okay.
Bano no say will be or be dear wizard. Ne yere no say why this wizard no. Economic wizard. This economic wizard I bet than a menu computer now I done a computer wizard there. And he has lost focus. Then I think that Simon man can no implicate in homo. Seriously, because me be try say o memory Rebecca o year. But me say economic management team then ya also for math. Why can someone remember NDC's economic management team? What you say? Samre no office will huri obi o. But I didn't yande. You understand? Oh, economy no question. For the first time in my life, I me live as nipa aja meet me kotwa di tuya di ekano. Minshia bi da. Say 3 months consecutively, untimim budget abra wokudwam. Even in Rory's regime, ye can say inflation akosoro no. Na entesa. NDC, free power, now it was, they left 13 point something inflation rate, Emma. In the inflation rate, catch me.
I'm 42%.
And I'm 42%. I don't know massage, no. You understand? Nti, dien, a justification na me wo nde, mete ha. Se me can say, even comparing Baumia or Nanado to Abia, any other presidents, I will be chum. Better than no. If I do that, I will naturally be unfair to them. Your own I would do making scheme abba. And I can say obey. Also we Bank of Ghana or Juma or Bank of Ghana. Na Bank of Ghana Sikawo Ghana dear in Nikwan say Kobo Bosia, the lazy man approach to governance Bosia bo. Be Bobosia to the extent say nebra opinion and now the crazy it is Sikazo come there. We num nyina ku wie sen. See, Ghana Bobosia 10 times the amount of Mukilimi say Obi Abobosia or Munhunia or the yen. Nti wenum nyina oka bomua. Ya na edu stage bia wo beka binum say wenum de politics. Wenum de politics. Masa yen define the way ye kasa na ye maitie. Ntiti ya no we so ka ho. Na enkoye se obeka we oba de ka na chena na we we na politics asem na America. Dabi. So I think that it is proper for us to understand. Se ne ye anamo bi a ye tunde no wonsunsan so ma wo chena. Na ma ye kasa enkoye se ye nkrofo a ye nim chena na eye dan a chena eye known to us. Obi kra bia ni ho a wodidi wonanum a kra bia ni ho a wodidi wonanum a efa na to a obeti maka say na ebisi chena wonim. But Baumiane na nado it is clear say boshe bi no a mo share kasa bi no a mo kan ye atim didie bi ni allegations bi no a omode ma bi no mu no na ya akoye say omode da bia mekan Jesus Christ ba chiriba Jesus Christ chiriba pe na chese wonim ni wone papa dan this anuema o ya na people are rational enough to digest near waka no just opposing near waka ye any near who deliver in principle I don't think say wonim very akra you come out to say pe president credit because you are saying say he's not the president, he's the vice. No, cannot no running mate ana.
Okay.
No a running mate. No nimunsun sanswa. Ebewo. Nti wu nim se wo ye driver mate. Won so steer mu na wo sebo. Nti wo pe wo pe. Sa boshe no. Ene ne ye ngina so a ye begina so. Ajahaje no. Say indeed wa ya ade na wonya ade. Wono a in one of nenuama na wo huri mama wo say NDC wo say party benyo say wa che dollar e the dollar akolo kidiki ama IGP dollar nde it is saying you understand omo a some time ago I can say dollar duru 3 point something cities. Say one on president, one Nanado, say one on Mama's our time no, I will be resigning as a president. But one resigning because under the table no bibi wo sa table no ne na wo ho mama mpese obe resign no enunti na dollar abro $10 $12 and there onso onye wadwen se obe resign no I think say ye didi a ye no nkwan yes yes because look no it's not harsh because look you judge me by the words I utter meboa dia na ye wonjina so say obe kan say sa nipa ye kontumponi enam ne wo ye ne wo ka you understand any ne wo deliver ndi say obi e ka bibi na e bia ye shelde no to understand say ye can say we dey a political talker we are not being fair to ourselves as Ghanaians enunti na miribia ya make can say wo hwe the way no aye ya namo no aye tu no a e ya ko kire pefi say sa bible na Quran no ye pre ye ho kofa ye you be anyone can say shebo a wuntimi ndi so say o say on bobosia wa bobosia 10 times the amount I will criticize you be say one abono you understand dollar you see obe resign e bibia e wo table as inti no sa de chrono anti o date ho
okay
nti sa nuama and many other things wo ho a I think say ye kan hu say nchiremba etie omo hwe na eno nso na omo nso de beja omo nso nchiremba what legacy are politicians today leaving behind for the yet unborn children na omo we chire so me tiase ne mpenyimfo bi can say observers are worried indeed okay. If you are worried that if you are a Ghanaian and you observe you should be worried seriously
Homekakra na ebesa ba horabdo sama no redi na ye PNC amanyekuo ne twetwe wo Bonomante wo journey your live on Facebook SOMPA 98.9 FM SOMPA 98.9 FM we producer say edin National Democratic Congress representative no ya na ni je ho pa ye say obafriend teacher Masco ano de also opepa o teacher Masco no chance obema no edin foforo bia nti oya no se kuya ya kan teacher Masco ope no a na me say okay and ye mebo eno a teacher Masco good evening
Akua good evening
na empomunity saying
nyame adom na nka menyo so
oh
no nye dia mpepa no
producer na se men kan teacher Masco
wanya ka dia say
me
Sapo nyina kwan
jama wuntumi bro who am I who am I say message sade say Joe aka
it's so refreshing meeting you
bibia ye boko de
officially this is the first time I know
exactly in share I
make us monitor
okay
on several occasions that me no be share so na ka me be share so yenye share
and
says that now we dispose kakra
yeah make I say ke na woni ni share ye
if I could use na menchia ye watifu na menchia me bia pani nudi in fact why ever as a justice to someone and minim bia about set up it has
no one ye room
yeah I mean me bano me na meeting no na he was struggling to even mention the liquid mismanagement liquid economic mismanagement team no yeah Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Professor Jambafo Dr. Akuto Osei Dr. Afriya Akuto Honorable Alan Jermantin Boachie Jako Kenoforiata Senior Minister Yao Osafumafo. What a liquid mismanagement team.
How do you describe them as liquid mismanagement team? I don't know from so a liquid.
Or no kind of solid.
Okay.
But the opposite of
open is liquid mom.
As say well, dear queen, and you're solid. And you're solid view. Na utie in some na and MPP. Aspirants and asibia flag bearer a hopeful or mopa. Every one of them is distancing himself from a Nanado.
Every one
of them based on their comments. And someone walking.
Even
including Dr. Bawumia.
At least Omwa Womo asum wona ban mu no. We nim kra no ye nim former trade minister, former agric minister, former energy minister, yes sake no orabo acheja ko. Are you say former railway minister
president Ankasa vice president Ankasa. Utie de okay.
What distance no ho.
De ntia what distance no ho ne say. Sabi agrewum. Wo so oba obeye we ya ma wakwanya no. Say na me bra panyi eye dorodin e ka no. Die na e preventing so obeye de so ye no. Die na e prevent no. Enti e say also oba obeye we. In any case, what dey hwe ni say. Me nka MP before na enyo masem. Nka NDC ni de sabe. Nka me fa ho ben. But so hwe de ekozia ho. Ya sibre bi abu odwan ina itwam. Na ye di asem bi wa himfie. Na ka abu odwan asem ekosu yi. No kra bi nimo na bomode na ka bi ko ka bi o asem de me fa ho ben. O mo ka asem wi ya sibe akwa difo na nipa no enkofa dwan mra. Dwan o twam a o se asem ne nka no. Ono na ekofa ni bai. Nti di akwakwa for now no. Di akoso ga na nyina no efo obi biya ho. So wan ka bi. You see, sometimes journalists need to be on one as a political show host for be on one. It's not because maybe you're more casadi mammy. Once I say assemble now, we will be kind of crack and mawakuma. And you are one of such persons. I must say, Madika crack actually will be a crowd. You see, let's say it and found near political affiliations. Yanka, once the more I quack as a wawa, not your way and any. Now, say be out door would do in North. Ene ye hwe ye de ekosuya de ntia meka so mo twon ho no alanchi manten obeka o se neyi kurampo no ye ba din se NDC MPP fo omo benya ye campaign message because of how bad the economy is but on kan agric minister eso be kan ono kurampo no so hwe na e ba planting for food and jobs no ka so di ba na a kire me hwe kurampo no so hwe ni bill boss we di ba ya e do so se ne enuane anu wadua mini aba enya seresemu nibiri sampa na me ka kire no you see politics is about bread and butter issue
amawura a Greek minister that be board do so chenuane ane yadua
oh na we I know wa plant more bill boss than na djuma so be
SOMPA FM
enti utie honorable Kennedy Japan obekan also omo lead edi ekọ IMF no or see they don't wear thickness out omuntumi enyi enfrim na abeka adana em say that was so mo July mu na omo declare say wa abra no mo declare aka anum suo awe abu agusi say omo de Ghana pa de omo be call IMF de say biu wa abeka say Ghana nko IMF no say biu na wunim nyansa wa abeka say Ghana nko IMF no na chi say wa ko say minim nyansa me ba mo nkyere me mamu enu achi wunye jimini wunye bodam ni onka say Ghana enko eyomwa kasa former communication Ashanti region communication that and kind nyama America emak enoforata keno Japan eso be kan o say ya hand over dia ma NDC you see me no ba ade ba akwa obi asene say nothing convince a man more than on one west
okay
what was ma be kan ade a convince more than anything we be afri mu ahu so hwe yen sama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia in opposition 2012-2016. Now organizing elections. Now the penifo akwotena ase. Na feel wachire mu omonti ase obe no ebo yin mama no. Sa di baya afro ba ekrompo no na they were suffering from what we call political hangover. As I said we obi a wano monsa na waya yi na ade ache na stela de omu adwuma. Now they were suffering from that because now kwa say trona room guso mudia to the extent say also a local impo dollar no edi ki akoma IGP meboa
but at the time na wo ka sa asem no na enye no kure say CD to dollar rate no na the so ani change de yehunu ne nei
at the time wo ka sa asem no ka sa asem 2018 meboa sabre na mu amampanyi ST committee of 40 members 40 member committee say ye hwese Ghana the ntie esi no na enkoyi obaka na Imani Ghana president Franklin Kujo na okaobi na Dr. Baumia ya ne wa base ye nto abamanfo nto abaman wo enipa me nka nyama sem because MPP would wine crab and yet be. You see, at this time, no, I say we sound more political. Some may win. Me for now, how man can survive to 2024 December?
And no, no, be a
and no need the agent home. And yeah, the Obama because the Obama need the Japan catch it. Say, on my hand over my on the silver platter. Into head Dr. Mahmoud Maumia, Nessa Walker. Not nay, you are Bassy. Yeah, a MPP, a delegates, and Trabamano. But then can you mass me look, Mamma Cousin Joe, Mubi Samia. Nipanka me papasse, and ka Obereni a year or more a flag bearership agency. Dr. Mahmoud Maumia.
I didn't.
The reason being that, and ka campaign grumpon Panky.
When you said who
wouldn't mean tell me who. Wouldn't mean tell me who. And con one in some can you know say better a time on here. Now you chatting some more kind. Now for ye canama footy. That one alone. But see at this time maybe a man do no miniaba no chrome part it's not about sell by way by rainy because sell we come to one none want to be a new 2024 now because be a major 2024 ye be rainy. No one knew on man. Hey, nipa bin one man, minim a bin one sebe, and which any a year dear, cause when I know a man be, ya no taxi, or 1 benz. Adaya, or sena or your banker, and now a year, Nejuma a year then a gui.
SOMPA FM.
Until ne car, I know you private, and no, I know a taxi or uchi. Now you were any nipa bin more a year contractors. They see they call park of MPP or more a budget statement from 2017 on by. Ebesine, there be a Fibia contractors, yet you 1.2 billion dollars in Hong Kong. There be as contractors at your own way in Jomaka. You see, they are a bunch of thieves and liars. Thieves and liars, political thieves and liars. Look, you can't Roberts. Sometimes I know who's a bit more than I'm and see with this one, I'm using umbrella term as a general term. You see, politicians, the member to be a politician, be ya obetumi ya mani pakura wu sika dia man se bia fa be si hospital on fa me si hospital na bia ebenam so mo bia wu sika fa be ka akwan on fa me ka akwan na bia yi pemfo bi ya okowo na nintika no wantumi ama no wu ya jaza nipa no sabi obi akwa ko wia embo phone ya chine wodem nti America say these people na ankasa they are bunch of air liars and thieves. Because all here, Dr. Mamudu Bamia, he say, Naminia a penny air casting be. Was now he's now drifting. Didn't President Akufo-Addo? Okay, say, I owe you soon. Or see because Dr. Mamudu Bamia, because of the economy. Why you more Air Bank of Ghana on one casa crabeka, Ghana with Sika, it's Cano soon as Cano, and I'm saying you've been watching so mood, didn't you know? A young day, and Corno and Adwa, and Corre resign, no more GDO, Dr. Mamudu Bamia. He said, GD also one need to be because they know all drifted. And more to the point, or by your sister view, or be a what for a Ukraine, so from non codo. No denominatia. Ubetianica. Dr. Mamudu, I thought it be economy. He said, digital, there is that now. He said, Rodi a sin as a for him, patch of Mibisa, a fiber optics, a organ, you know, one alien organ.
But digitalization, whatever, no. And cut the transformation of the economy. No?
Pacho, yeah, can say you know. You see, Amamu or in a policy and programs, you know, they are built up. Why they see a Accra Digital Center? They where is it linked to? Eti many times besides you know, say would Obia from so on Kodoa for Pani, Kofum Kodomame. I feel the pay Koya and Kusin Okobo. Dr. Boma, yes, I said, the only you know. When I catch a digital, the year can be problem for now. And yet, we are seeing the Kunanim. I see Dr. Mamudu Bamia, Emmy Ya. See, let me cut my cousin Joe. Who's a beer money? Emmy Ya. Say, oh, good a year, Nipabino in Massey.
And Nipa no go money Massey.
Oh, what did I say, my dear cousin? So, oh, good Nipabino in Massey. The reason being that, you see, this is the manner. And Kaanya, you see, I'm on fire, my politics. Where's the better now? I fire. Once I'm to me, 9 gentlemen say, was a politician. Sabi, you think I confront a politician. What can be that? Because maybe why Yama, I had time. Uomua was why dirty. As I said, you will be only made no need, obey you, be on someone for on sound. That is what Dr. Mamudu Bamia say, why Yama could do. Why Yama say, no, what you're subjecting to a public radical. I say onya beka asema oh yenser ne kakra asam ne bringing it to the okay you say oh crowd na idina china na me bre panyi eka see oh for now ono wo executive nim and oh the ekoso na wa momodin antumi am wo ye MP wo ye minister wo ye yi na wa momodin antumi anya bia wakonwa be den e be hwero nti for now ye momodin na enye na nyina ye nkamum and that is the crowd that you saw and sa crowd na hu ye no utie ya Bota region for kan ho e ba bi Western region ema bi mu eba modin atumi kasai si nye wenum na ye pewu sa eye artificial politics ye nyai
ade na hu ni say artificial e bia genuinely ono no mu hunu ni say the NDC I elected former president Mahama as a MPP equally womunya competent popular candidate enough as compared to former president Mahama betumi compete
competent the requirement president you see abebi one president John Dramani Mahama bibi obi anya minhira no that man is your prophet your prophet okasemi odi for Mahama okasemi brebi osese ohwe Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ya onam na incompetent na we also we need president in bida na nobody president ye hu end level pa and this is a man 9th December 2016 wakasembi or say posterity will be a judge na me no magem say e be some 100 years to come na kase proper bi baye na ni doma kwan wo ye na ring road wo ye na yi sa on de come and de ben ha papa o kawie ya Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba ya na ne bibia abedruni nti be manu esi e wo first topic hi ho yes say odi kan wo kota na onebem na me de se eye alanchamanti na ebawu se hwa na ebawu obia ma me kasem chiro Ghana ni ye kase ye empty ni abomodi na afie tumi aye politics a Ghana ni bia na e penokre pa de a na nya bia political blindness se bia me de se bi yedi yedi bo kra beto ha meto amabo wa abra wuni pa akoto aba amabo se wara na se ye kanokre pa ho obia wasomo eye na ado aba wi ni bia no se oba na se Ghana for man empo 40% a na nipa na service na Ghana for service bi o ye so ye ya akwa se ye di ye enye ya
nti se Dr. Bawumia etumi imagine na wo NPP presidential primaries ni mu na oba general election 2024 no nya 40% kura na say
Ghana for de mu enye ya I'm telling you the truth sometimes eya de timi tie yi mu bi no it's not because bia wo NDC na bia wo NPP what means some of you speak out of the happiness of the country. And see, Omaya no man lamping up. You see, MPP phones, Omaya very, very smart. What do you know? Omaya and Tomaya, Omsio, that is, say, Joma, my dear, didn't be bad. A man in Fama, Sabi, no, no, Cobo. When my cameras will be a dinner baby. O James, we go keep a never idea. Why, Obeshame? No, I didn't tell. Was open, so Shame.
And you come on to
come on, Shame. So, here. JDM not the two on Mekacho, he's the most a popular politician. And see, Nanko so quite fast in Bibia. Many of our young kind of pass in 2016. Enka Ayan Nado Rene Abay, and Nanka JDM the Rene. Nanka be a man say, dear woman, in Kiumu and Kadin Gibisu Ghana. Quebecas and Nanko point the answer for be by. Ayan Nado, or be pie chow, Yanos, or Strayer, say and Tuaba Mano, na Yan Tuaba Mano, or Situmin way ho. Ghana is Kano Hanom. Yet is council so a comedian. Where's some more kind and then is that what we are seeing? We are even seeing the reverse of that. Now here Dr. Mahmoud and some more kind. None, wabijin on ferry idea. Sanka Dr. Mahmoud may win a bush yamua. Kamakash the papa is Saudian you are say Bramido. Very, you see, he's a shameless air person. If not, and Ka Dr. Mahmoud and can people for Crampono. Or send combo modern etumi ekase papa we kura mpodi e won samfata but me dey man America no hey be it as it me say one be bow me dey po e danya minim say Ghana for now sabi you kwase ankwa na nsan adwene Ghana for e bia binim ho no ma omo nsan adwene minim say dodo na no the idea for me this excruciating pain ya omo dia for me no me say dodo na be ntino me nei kura me kan ana me pese bia be we ne de but me hwe se enne ani monimu ye ide ne be ye ne survival and see obi obe survival me pese nke obi after 2024 ka Ghana ni bia watumi atena from 2016 na bisi sabri no ka be man certificate of survival
Ah.
Na woka.
Certificate of survivor.
Meboa. Eno, me no share that.
Now, that time of survival of the fittest now, to me,
for now, you see, survival of the fittest and the grace of God. I say, I wouldn't say, be more on my Ghana, I want you to know. No more modern so nyame o madom no munya ye hwepin boys. Wouldn't hwepin boys.
This ochim.
COVID-19. COVID-19 abe hwepin boys. Any Russia Ukraine war, abe hwepin boys. Yam fan share na chese omobo mo na be show pepepe sabi ase Ghana nko a ensi medika ka asem bi nsema be ka biya no susukuru a obesusu no enua na besusu e dia ma wo so hwe ye Dr. Maud Bawumia ne nsem mo kan ye ase wi ase nsema e koba nyina ase wi ase pandemics ni problems nyina etwa Ghana hu nyina hia ase ajan countries nyina na abeche e Ghana nko a enne those words na me ka say whenever o kasama e so odwene sebi chena de be so you see at any point in time me asem you can be you should guide a statement say it radio so you can say obi say ka asem bia be you should be a high stone be but if the statement is guided as o ka say obi e kronfo o ka obi e kronfo a nipa metimi di wakokot allegedly unya di fa ho a you you should know how to guide a statement but you see Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia whenever he saw the crowd no abomode fedru ba bi na sebi adwuma say e bia unit committee nya assemblymen grow say unit committee for no but no akwakwagye gina onom toilet we have commissioned toilets no all kan wa bra unit committee kura say adwuma we e bia bi mu kura nka so mo agya mo papa re de majori say when it comes to a political issue he has oni bi nti na nyam wasa for now MPP ni bi e kasa wadan what do you call it wadan motivational speaker. Oh, ne be ye. And I say they as a been crowd and preachers because of the omudi forminti. Nti me nua me de me nheda enka bebre Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Omra say hwan be bo me de be da po. Wa be bia no me de nim say e danya Nyankopon empese ne ma bebre die. I don't believe say obe hand you over view. Me dem just way no said you read the Bible la edu ba bi Israelfo o me asodin ekoye ye ne Nyankopon amom ho atamfo anya omo no. Me just say bi a asodin bi na ye ne nyame so wo so yahwe. Na edin ya enkosi eye wie da. Nti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so picking form so ye din yo so file o. No kro ba ne say for now no ma nyina enkoye o santie eye omoyi ne sukrompo me ye na utie so be na obewe ne na me pese me kire me bra ba ko me nim ana woni me bra yi you know, the metie and say elections on better 2 layers. First one, we're on better we're friends super delegates. Yeah. Ministers, MPs, and AMFAS regional unique constituency executives in B. And a Bakakoto. Omutu yombe 5. We are 5 no. Is only 10. No mudo mako. Into mudo mko honum na say delegates ni nyina no ebenya kwanya. Na no say we need ye ebe ye etumi di amom. Na second one no any ade ebe din enso the moment no media me say said you MPP as a political party they have disappointed us obi from obeba no Ghana for let's show him the right thing
but I say amara Peter any need but say Joe so pa masco pa o journey live on Facebook about SOMPA 98.9 FM SOMPA 98.9 FM say ni bra here da say osem nkoso na monye adwumaden o comment de no ebinum de menkan enu de saa obi comment oya den ya menkan ye ni abre ye adwuma o ye Facebook post na se na oba frakadam hwe wo kura mepe waton wo 10 series hwe de Ghana ye Facebook page ase na wo ba be do frakadam me beton wo 7 series de akoto bottle water anom kura guso ye careful mo bia me na ni nda ho sa kalabule na ekoso wa be fo kwan so no mo bia mfa wo nsa enkosha amana mu kwa bia ye wad ne na wiase abrantie bi say sister makuma doctor say e be operation ka me pe 1 cd na me say na 1 cd ne de ya akuma operation mi betu akuma ne kura kwa jiska do say na me say fa ne ma di agro me yankonkoma a etoso mienu ye hwe ani mu say NPP amanyekwa na msini hebeba be ka ye ho wo studio ha electoral commission say oya denya political parties no ebinum ntumi nsesa wo ma dwen ya wo ma form e wo isi ne ho nti adwe wo ma form wo isi ne ho ne say oya bias isi ye den on to mean sasa de na political parties no wo madwene de afa ne ho no na bibisa se enya bia kotoko ne ha se bebo bola se de tie bia no supporters ni beka say oh referee we de asa no wo has for afa ebi beka so referee we de asa no wo kotoko afa but wo football adwene akoma devoid of heart kotoko ne de betumi agina ka say oh no nya bias oh no ye fair sa na betumi anya political parties ni members ni bi independent individuals any independent minded persons any political analysts and some political scholars mama kaso sa decision we there yes easy take here we there nya bias to the NDC we there nya bias to the MPP easy na nka say to me make a name for himself and a name for the commission say empo so take decision bia na political parties ni bi kura mpo hu ni say em favor numpa e be favor entire country no ana otumi adu samba mpeso no otumi make sa name no e ma ne ho ana ora no redeem ma menye wadwen kire wo ho.
Right, Medase, I think that this topic is a very broad topic that he has interrogating to level is a drumagana for okay. I think that the EC was not created in a vacuum.
At all.
It was created to ensure say Ghana for ebenya resemuni jidi ewonimu and say ebane say omono a omo ayi say onye ebia referee emma omo na perepere ye emra no say ko ba say omo onya adwin bi fa ho a na wan kasa no na ehia say wombisa ho question as to why people are beginning to think otherwise other than senior me principle na me virtues esitie no nti my wakasa bebre I listened to him some time ago. I read a lot of news what the aba and stuff like that, but I think that the real stage be a omo could do baby nso a na omo yire fi bibia ya omo free
okay
because dan commissioner na oye a wo ho a wo kan ne wo kan wo abusuafo any nkrofo community a ufrim na uwie o service kra obesen retirement na fie and menye sure say obi enya gina bie bi ewo abrabom edigigya nachi se na ebe ya bia wo be free adwuma mu no wontimi nko fie biem nti ameka sa nnuema nyina ma yi kan yi I think say ya na omo pese omo take it for granted. You understand? They be Ghanaians for granted in a sense that one wote hono a woye commissioner no enkyere se me ameti ha ni nimde e wo saa nuama no hono eso nkyɛn me. You understand? Nti se nyame de wo to ho a na eduru stage bi na wutu anamo bi na yenyina asori agina se anamo e wutu ni nsunso a ye de beba no emboa ya me didi se nyame kora wo sufre no e wo mera uhia ne sufre ne mbo ayia otieu na nipa this our life is omote ho na omoye commissioners a ese omoboama the electoral process no eko animu a they should stop behaving like politicians. You understand? Akwe say ofure ata won ko chenchena amema no nko. You understand? Our life no I think say yenesa emboaye and to be very sincere with ourselves as Ghanaians. Don't say party bia ni ho a wo opposition a wo gidie e wo isi mu.
Why is it so?
Yes. Se ubisa me a di ntina smaller parties wo ho still Ghana two major political parties omon ka say da bi the ballot paper no a tenten no yes mine sika imprinting it di ntina smaller parties nun kambum enye tere ma yensevi the public purse.
Okay.
You understand? They are adamant to this angle American because in IPAC when they go there these smaller parties no a omo yenketenkete a yembu omo no by constitution we are all equal. The NDC, MPP, PNC and CPP are equal our constitution no. When they go there and they take decision omo feel say debi akua donko ewo NDC afa we were MPP afa nti ye kan bo mu no MPP for adi nkonim omo policy a mo de aba parties no a support no nti no omo akọ you understand eno ne ebia reason tia ebe ye difficult say be believe because government no na co craft ne wo pese wo ye e de breo now implement it so wo de wo ye policy no wo na wo implement you are not crafting the policy omo a mo draft policy no wo na wo implement why na de baaye and nipa na wo de baaye ni interest ni sen e wo ne wo de baaye no ho you understand eno na say you take into consideration because in government when there was a time for us to change this voter ID something now do nom ye they say there be yenye ayi ye ka kire na mama say the electoral commission is an autonomous institution and that will need bibia obeya afa ho today aye ka say the same your mama has a problem with the same electoral commission abra obi nso ye president inde you understand nti omumienu no ye de ye free power mu ache ntimi nkan no but omumienu no enim ne bia ye abra wo power a ebo ano a wetimi ye den ewi ni power na whatever
nti wakotena opposition na no fin say the opponent so would do say
exactly because kronfo nenim kwan a ne yanko efaso yeah nti I think that say ye pese ye hu electoral commissioner and our institution no a good na any doubt ewo Ghana for dream was wherever as to say omo benya gidie wo ne mu a and the politicians should stop doing what they are doing by appointing people who are politically known all over the country as commissioners of the electoral commission.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And so at the moment all starting yes or no, then you have no right to say mami nuru ameti ha mami enjoy say sa
fair now you biased.
Automatically you are biased. Your man here no University of Ghana you were mo ayi petroni Dr. Bibi Bosman Asari. Ye dey there anye yi na no me hwe ayi your friend is saying Kwasi Pra TV Africa Pan African TV me hwe na meti ho dia mene mai bi akọ program na mai no omo ye evidence na aja meti ho me yam kufu ameti ho you understand nti sa nnuema nyina no em say e ha adwen but it's about time say eti ase say hwe emfa ho ne ebia nipa a wo appoint no se nipa no nso say appointing ne wi a mesre say sa nipa no nso eya won try as much as possible say won ye ne fata
okay
you understand ne ebebua Ghana man nhwe ne wa appointing no entiki decision bi a ede bloodshed be Ghana you get what I mean because me all the time make say nyame boa ma obeduru stage bi ewo abrabom na wantimi anka no kra ende ewo de omobo otorofo yes because ebia we commissioner na achi hefa na wokobi na wantimi nteki decision ewo wakumam na ebeboa man no na wo say ebia indies na appointee wunti eno obekwa ma omo MPP na appointee wunti obekwa ma omo at the end of the day posterity will judge us because at the end of the day no ye nyina no da bi beduru ayebebu atan. You understand? Or services to the nation and whatever. Now politicians and also in this MPP for ya omonso enkan who say san crofo no a omoye communicators all over the country omo need as so say omunya positions bi e was sensitive positions institutions bi say ya omo pe no eya omo politics no omo hwe yie no omo expose you because all the time me can say politics aye me nya post ewo politics mu emma me nua Sadrak mbre me nya position ewo politics mu emma Mr. Amanwura mbre nti die nti no mo boss empire na ema me se nya me mboa na ombie kwan ma me na me nya bi na me ntimi mboa nti me nkoduru ho enka se nipa no wa aboa ema MPP aba power nti me mfa no but nipa no ankasa no eduru stage bi na ye kasa ye ka efa the other party who opposition parties no ho no ebo mu abra wo say nipa no akotena sa position no nti sa nnuama no nyina na ka bomu a ayesa nti se man ya ka se o chinchina Ghana card ombeye ne nhye se ye mfanto aba mingi ndi se wo power chain parliament a wa direct se o monsan koye nsakreye wasa adenum nti so omo kasa ma omo kasa with authorities as though o de opio meye sa de no yeah at the end of the day say okay o de fa ne se omo kasa sa de no ye de ba emboa no e ko wie se wo pass na ne omo kan ko ba mu a obenu hu ana wonu you understand nti sa nnuema nyina ka adwendwen ho a say hwese the supreme interest of ye nyina say be magana di nti se Ghana for no ankasa no in your quest to make them di no se omo ye dede wo bibi ho a anamo bi awutu a me did say respectful and even privileged emma wo se wuti omo na uhu se dabi baby omo kwedi me gidi se metie omo a eye nyenko se bia da bia no me de me kire ma adwen o dabi o ye dum se ya nuru de o de na adwen nya de no ye CPP ni Akua donko ni and whatever at the end of the day nura me ko ayi kuroyi o baby awuti ni do ma akwan yi me ko chia me wo fa bi wo kotokurom me bae in fact me bre na me se me da kakra me besiti so fita masa akwa se omudi me anum moja mu a mark na you understand inti what yes kotokurom whatever it is say na esitie bia no NDC say na esitie bia hwe NDC fo wom MPP fo wom CPP fo wom kwan be so na ye nyina collectively ye boja ama authority so on be ye ne ye pe amaye you understand obeka obi the example bi ewa akra omo yitire nkwan ya yitire nkwan wa ha de ye na ye ka ndi sa example so no ya yare ndi ne wo ye region mu no ye mbo hu dawu whatever it is menye so say ya ban pe se kwan no beda ho be pemende you understand enya aban pe but yen so ye ka ho all the time ye be ka na bia defend ye be ka say to the extent say electoral commission can ye wo kan at the end of the day the supreme interest of Ghana no say a supersede individual interest of this country.
Merasi Rabdo Samad Nuruddin for PNC Amanyokuo NPP Amanyokuo nam sini woto ye nkrase bibi nti ebema na ye late nti ye gitum fe na nyame adon wabeka ye so ra Shadrack Abrefa Mensa ye Bono Regional Director Youth Employment Agency and obekasa the Amanu Patriotic Party wo ye show ye so watna say Mr. Abrefa majoen na impomunity saying na many yabuafo oh no bomu yem I see.
Party mpanyimfo a onwo amaye ho akwanya na yabase ye ne Ghanafo nyina nso so eba bedi asomunkomo de ho hia se wo se amanyoku akasamafo ya yeyi beba na ye nso so ye ne timamufo abedi hu nkomo no yenya akwanya bisi ya na ye na menu abanza na meko enensem yisu yimse mpanyimfo de aka se be won akire won adwen kire bebre meta Ghanafo nyina ase na mada NPP party no nso so ase pa ewo adefefe anra NPP for Yedema, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, ya oye Ghana yenyina ye need a source say ne kese pa no ye MPP amanyuku na minu abada me beye na otwini amebae me ka kire wo se nyankopon adom ye mranti a ye mabunu na party amaye ho akwanyase nkasa ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign team no me ka ho bi enra nso na ni mpanyimfo odi nkomo ya ye kokoboa ye honhom fam ne honam fam nyina ye koye enti me da party fo ase na enra de si ye no an indication of the ebesi ewo yen elections ayo yenim both the super delegate conference ene kese na ayo yenim no ohwe ahomboaboa ene ahokeka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni campaign team put it together and run. That alone tells us how prepared he is as a candidate. Namomuno meka se yenye complacent. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ejitu musempe nyumfua yeyi wonwo kwa kansie no nyina obia modu obia SOMPA ewo honam ene honhom fam de ne sika ne na hoden ene ne moa wodo ede asom hwe ya papa Alan Kojo Chiremantin hwe de honorable Kennedy Okompre kwa Japan ene mpanyimfo o mka ho nyina. These are fantastic people ya o ma SOMPA no ewo nokurem ene papam ya ejitum se on nyina ewo pepa ne ahode on betimi aye nanso ebre ya ye wo mu yi no the party for kan se ejitum se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ono ene ye de no kwa Ghana for ebeto na minu aba mse wasema edikan ya edi nkomo no nyina efa nipa dodo ana party for dodo a researchers de aba beto abontin se onwo pepa ene odo so onwo de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene beba mejitum se the 34% aba abontin no enumpo de esu akra yakwo esu apa o ezanse ohwe yen ankasa yen so internal surveys ya the recent one eba e kra de University of Ghana research team omo ho survey bi om de bae almost every region Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene dikan.
Okay.
Na we are not complacent said the American no ye de agitum say from 1992 amanyoko yi aye wo mu nya kompanyimfo bi no sore no moboata Dr. Adubu Ahenyechi Professor Albert Adubu Ahen ye ta na chi som no boa etwen ne de ne bae eno ene man nya kokoduro ebe kontokwa with the NDC 1 led by Flight Lieutenant J.J. Rawlings ne ye papa onye ne baby ko Professor J.E. Mills okonye forward to 1996 MPP for Jinaye Emma John Ajekum Kuvo His Excellency and also so yenye nipaku a on ta nachi oba yen ye bono ha menu epanye wanya ne baby ko Commander Kofi Daako old soldier wanya ne baby ko on jina kasa yen ene ye tai je Kufu achi ye tai Nana Adodanko Akufu Ado achi in 2008-2012 ene emeredu se emabunu aye wo nso so ye di ahoden ye nyansa ne adom anyame di adom ye no e de betai Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia chi na mejitum se enye ye ho neteye de ye hu ni se mre ya ye wo mu ni daswa the New Patriotic Party wono eye ni daswa ye wo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mu.
Why Dr. Bawumia?
The entire Dr. Bawumia ye unique among his peers ne say at the times when the party was in crisis, at the time when the New Patriotic Party needed people to stand on, needed people to fight. Sa time no ene nyankopon e ma sa panyini akokoduro. Yenhwe bra ye kogina court ne ye kan yensam de kire Ghana for su kire court Supreme Court. Say yasamede 2012 elections petition de koye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia single-handedly etna konwa so eye calculation e kasa ye ma ne aya ababe ya bakosem from 2008 omampani Nana Adodanko Akufu Ado e fa no se ne running mate e bepem ena me ne okase nyako papa yi ompa NPP echida. He has never left this party. He has been with us since 2001
omampani je kufo fa no so omameye the deputy governor of Bank of Ghana na no kasa na afina wosia gumi Dr. Baumia se me maye ba de ni da me matwi kada sabe ka ketwa ewo mikrom me mada ikiosumu as a sales boy makotena brochire asua dia ma wade meda nti ye ka bre ye ka hawa mafambi nti ye gitumu se panyifo pi na aba be SOMPA ti ya ye mu onwaniti animtia but we believe that at this point in time ohwe the northern region sabe the northern part of this country ohwe the Islam said ye nkramofo ani age se mriya ye wo mu NPP for so mayensu ye nua akwanya ya wo ye kramoni amana babedi in the history of this country and see that and ne sabi mpreduasa yenka say the position of the president no for the vice president in Kwan Yadima obi ofri the northern part of Ghana. The New Patriotic Party has opened up say change the narrative. Okay. Yeah, mobi ono so free northern part of Ghana. Aba be ye mampani, obi ono so ye kramoni, aba be diman yuso. Ni ye say Ghana and the New Patriotic Party is not an Akan party. Ye pesi asesa sa propaganda any notion me nua panin amanwura bae no wokan wase na megitum se nyankopon boaye no tonsu pa edugu sa tirimupo ene adwen ayewo yi so a Ghana be krabehwe nyakode nti ameka se Ghana be krabehwe ne se yenhwe ene amanya wodo a akonanim na no na meka ye the digitalization any technology and I can't mfidi juma ahodo aba and they ye juma panyini baye with the support to the president. He has introduced a lot of innovations to the systems that we have. And then the digital address system ayewo yenhwe mobile money interoperability yenhwe drones wa medical deliveries sa niema enyum nyina edi aba no yenka say it has been entirely successful but mejitum say aman binum ti say Malaysia, Singapore, Rwanda, China, Japan omu nyina shase every baby na ohwe ni so adi hunu Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wona mejitum say ye boa no ne ata na chi a o de Ghana ebeduru baby a yenyina ye bompa yesi bedru na maka se ye de edwumadi a ye die no ye fa ne se sebe akoda afi na ne sin fifiri ontimi mbokase mu. We are taking every activity, every submission, every advisor ye benya free yankasa ya manyokum ne de ye adwuma de ye benya free PNC for ye benya free NDC for nyina no ye ka bom san se ye nim se it is not only for the flag bearership position, but it's for the entirety or the presidential slot of this country. Nti Nyarko bisa me Dr. Mahmoud Baumia sem dia senka me kadia be jitum se adebechi, but the meka twa to ni se enra achi ene enra the see ye ewo yen party headquarters e kire se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia waboa ne ho na se man ho akwanya so ma meye Ghana mampani a obetimi adi ne dwuma na boa. In fact me ba na me nua pani amanwuru eka so Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nsem bi no ma oka ye ene se ye frɛ no a obetimi agina ho aka ene se obu nkompo hwe na chi ansem bi no ma oka. I want to say verbally and verbatim loudly on this your show say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, are you ready to stand by everything he said as a vice president? Sabe ojitu se ninsema okan no enye ni nyina na Ghana for yetimi ya adom Ghana for nanso so pepa eni adwene mu fan ya no wonti no he is ready to stand by everything he said. Na yenye wogidie say if we would want to interrogate and sema vice president kaye na say yenye no with the political lens there, then we should know say in general he meant good and he meant what was right for the people of this country.
Me da say ora Shadrack Abrefa mensa no ne nkomo edi kan di yenti no ma memfa wo fa fa sa nkomo hunkonkom ho na menko manwura ho me wi a mesa ba ho nkomo etoso mienu eye electoral commission wo mo adwen a wo ma kire no manwura ye hwe isi nkomo no ma mentie de obeka fa very well. Okay.
Me bray. Why your brother pal? Crea won't baby I'm through mashe. Kono free.
Wow. Wonderful.
You me when I'm through.
Man can't be in me chair, you know. See, I'm no say. When why ye for your neighbor nam okay info. I share 2019. Ye dofu kese pa 250 acre land ewo ho ya ye twa bro e de toma buffer stock me ne wo kase ye ho na me free ba ye ne nana ne mpanyimfo eko mesandi ama ye nti why for nso ye di dwuma pa na ye me de so se me nua pani aka me se me ne nyina afiri wanchi nti me send niema youth employment agency yesi wo suma mai kokoye no na timamufo ne atifo ne ahwefo nyina so nya bia
nti brother only say he's in the party batrona omo ya de pa nti most often sometimes some wabi me here wabi say na me bra you see a politician sabi a politician teacher ni sabi say na da for teacher ni okay ni ono ne ko afu ma say ono so politicians so da for be politician especially when people are and there are times when even we may need any helper sometimes we, for him stress and come this he's in the wrong area you see no can't say me about this is the first time we may get a Muslim to become Dr. Hilal Imam no money but me person just say no not so he can say first time your mama no, you're not.
Or kind of as a nodna and at the same time.
And you see some of these things, sometimes, so you are just say, oh, yeah. Yeah, they didn't say me, but these are the same people, and they will tell you, say, and this, they are no more petraba politics, near those, you see, it should even come in. You have the competence you have the competence of.
Make clarify it to Abby. Yeah, the American in the new patriotic party. Yeah, party mu. Kani ya edikan se obi ba be ye mampani would MPP mu kani a edikan se obi a oye kremoni ba be ye the flag bearer enti men ka Ghana nyina me ka yen ye MPP mu ye tradition from 1992
whatever be the case a religious advantage we and say be Christian your constitution is clear about that what the mamenye ni fru onum na de me o sinin se bo ka nyina he stands to a defend na from a transition to a production. Yeah, na no ada na yes and 3 taxes standby. Dr. Mahmoud Bami on. This was our case on your crampo no mobile money ni kwase. Ye na mobile money cry taxi ye levy on your na no e ba ye ya omo pass ya nso waka ho hwe. Nti this man sometimes mesre
e bia no person ogina ba his words won say earlier ya te say Dr. Bawumia can
say ni party
no ogina say your taxi mobile money and a favor we are saying e levy by so for me
but thank you very much Ghana Hanu
so I can
thank you see Ghana Hanu the second most important person
His Excellency Dr. Bawumia
na bibi say ba ya wakasa ade wunyintum na the second most important na just wakasa yinti ni kwa kwa say di ba yenyi fro na ade yemra
bia or no nye the final decision maker
but nipa say ye na do asi atauto with that economic as a you can say we economic whisked said the asi atauto na ne yira be kan na agina tum no such a person say otumi kirekirim na che asema ba say asema no omo a na che ono na Dr. Bawumia kra no wudi ne kokon na anibere ba obedwene jawu na obi oso ogina di ama ye ehiafo na or yi levy die enye na aba wantu ameka ho hwe bisi ne mami fro na de memra topic no so na wa ka che the teacher ni ma deviate you see asem ni adanse o yitimtwa asem bi e di adanse mini aba won say ya pese ya na asem no ye bomodin ya na kwati say oh say de no masi ko de politicians nyina e ye pe ade ba ko a ya ma akoso but you see yɛse kotepa ɛnkotepo ɔmo nyinaa si din yɛ nanso ɔmo nyɛ baako ɔho so ɔhwɛ
dabi ɛyɛ meti owi a mɛka akyerɛ ɛyɛ meti owi a mɛka
akyerɛ so wawie sɛ ɔhwɛ ɛyɛ ne nsɛm ɛyɛ ɔhwɛ ɛyɛ politicians a sɛ obi yisi ɛwɔ hɔnom a as a opposition party especially the government in waiting to say be at the major opposition party no to da as yene yisi enye enko benkurum asom beka bia there's a difference we see so where NDC breso yene di eye we buy yene di eye afarijan buy oyedi afarijan buy 1996 yeto ba wi o declare MPP for a chassis. Make I that time no secondary school form 1 96 also. Make I pa me Zabra yo secondary school Jensu so papa ikurum. Na you say afrejan class want me mo boaba no because you say onya security bi. Omo create that impression. You 2 year by afrejan to me hand over ne breso. Ya NDC din ba you 2000 or hand over or to me aboaba. Achi say owie no obi anka na hwe nipa na sa Abronoma so on MPP for ekaseti no 2000 wa ma NDC we took it cool obi say bia no obi won ma yani anye ho 2000 the crowd NDC ni bi ye no a me that was the first time I'm to aba obi ye no a o criticize man no 2004 ene ka say so hwe ye say the esi kona aba ye nyanya ni nyina be wo hon ba bia enya maaye ane tell to be ka say wo could declare you are not able to remove see we grab a can but yes constitutionally e was say eba nti edu abi na hu say no abi e koso no e hyira nyeden enye empokura mpo no obeka ya eye the late eye obichebilamte obeka simbi emo obeka say emo ko gira o declare elections 2004 ebeka say na yisi wo hin nti some of this things me fa say NDC your opposition na say dey we ye ba na e beka ho asema bo ne be na aye enu achi 2008 NDC ba eye abanwa iso ye hwe sebo mo sha ase kan e kan ya no mu wi omo na ho kro no ba eduba bi nse bebre ne course 2012 ye wi ya no man ku ya mfa ma yenu enu no mu e court omo wi ye nse bebre no mo ka fa afarijan ho NDC breso ye nya kwanya ma eye a party no a momode se empo no se afarijan e court say omra na se bia ye se omra megina kura no testify kura mpo na obi no ka se ompo ne but ye nuamu ye sha ase se ye be kwa na chese no ma sha ase na ehwe ye enukura di bai ye di eye Charlotte se bai emo bet bo aba ema etia ye na di bai o ema ono no ni register ye ema NDC ewe ni eye aba ana 2012 eye bai ye we ni 2016 sa e register kura na no etumi ma MPP we ni nka be ka se nke ye very credible e register na so e ba ya mo ka se Charlotte asemra na ma fo sha ase binu so odi we ko ye we binu so we mpona no na se bebre ye ba be pam no ampa ye ba se eye din o se okofa amra kwan so ye din o ade a waka se obeye na watumi apam watumi aye binu aba obi a wawe kora da wawe koto da waka so wawe kora edi na chinje na oba ye nso se din o mo bomode epamo emami ema no koy mo pamo ni wie no na ehu se empo UN amana djuma e tasu se djuma na oye no na oye djuma pa e na akofa eye ye maame eye jimensa e bai obaye e na o sha ase wa meka so be register new register oni eye iPac o mu ko shi iPac a anso mo be kan ba no make different na ma fo hu se maami why na dwen se MP for se register ba akon togo fo di hum yam papa ye ba omi ya ka se e batoro ya why adi obomoden ya ko fa di mi bae e ma me ka se togo fo di hum ye to ba wie ya omo wi ni wie ye nim togo fo nyina be Ghana fo we ye ni se fru onu ma ye maami shol se ompa mu ni wie ya jemen se ba yi ye hwe sama esisi for the first time in my life see a whole institution ya ye di aba isika etu omoka etumi ko bobo aba emenya 103.6%. Mr. Madafo bi wo UK me na na wo first degree wo UCC me wa no asane ma me o se masa na dey ba yi afi me check figures ya 103.6%. Chire no makoze sano ye be ye we krompo for the first time krompo no yisi ye ba yi sebi omo proposal na omo no mu di ba ene adwene mfa for the first time minim say to say me fansa o maame awo na wo de otumi koyade o maame na wawo no otumi koyade say ye di eye birth set ko akoye Ghana card na Ghana card betumi amma kwakonya eye me voters ID card na mum eye birth set ndem ntumi fa nkoje we sa wudi samra we ba and see we ni nya this phone kwa na ikon Dr. Sribokoku ene eye Dr. Bosman Asare Dr. Bosman Asare mimi mate bi no ho no ma omo catch them say tama no mo ye illegal no ye MPP for patron no we dem pass bia enye ne kure ono akasa na numsem obeka say o say NDC eye Ghana for any problem ho yisi o ka say na wo ka say mi say kotoko ne has be bo match na eye referee you only jinam to make say kotokofo eye problem e pass ada say match ye bokura na kotokofo edi nkugu a obejetum na we yen say free on ma ye ho no ma na no mo san ka say Ghana card nko an ba be na si da bi article 42 e kire mu a Ghana bibie no we say prevent obi manitumi eden say o to aba
okay
ye ka e beka omo di ko parliament ko bogu enu achi eye Sribokoku yo kese ya say ye na de ho ye be ye atumi akogina akoka eye say mu ba bi enne afrejan ya ono ye ka the most experienced electoral commissioner e Ghana ha no ma afrejan we say fa na nyina so abai icon wa wontumi nka na we papa we enne o see easy for them we emwa wadi ka aka o see Ghana card nko to make it a sole emwa CSOs abeka meboa se enya de beboa obi aka enya de beboa gise Jemensa ene MPP for omonko a na obenkrum se bi omonko a na edwene ti abari se ya nipa bi no be ye de ebeka sa etia sa ade na ekoso no enya ne kwan so enei okukasa tia o se nya sa netie ibi nkrampo so ohwe ye na ano krampo na afrejan esaka asembi o se ma collations no ekodos bebre betumi di problems aba nti be yanka collation kura yenye de yenti so ba etia no na ano ada omko IPAC omo se omo di another layer ba onu se omo di regional collation center be kan afrejan se enwi ya ho so na che se aba bebre hu se machinations no bebre de ekoso
akra no che na adwen no kan ye se dos no nti no menua ba se sasem wi other political parties asebio omo dwun Ghana hu yi ewo sound any CEOs any other organizations any memfa say Ghana fo a memfa say ye do ye man no e be ka say de omu yi enya se de yifo na okay
and now say ye ba ye tianom na me bra nurudin me na no kra me ka kire no me say hey me hu what so so sa so kra hu me ko hwe a me nua panyi ono kra da be onye me nua panyi apiahene
okay
me na ko political shows da ti say de me ne Shadrack way kan kra pass me nua ba se wotie da ache wobeti say se me wo yisi me kan yisi yisi ho. How will you feel? Because this guy they know him to be open minded or can but still political affiliation no hono. And of course say ko ba pass me hu say bia metumi e ba community bi na metumi aya ma bia NDC awene a bia obi won metumi aka say bia menye but you see why we kura ba na betumi bi no atumi anya o party kura mpono bia omebo enti me de make can say so hwe ye appointment kura mpono na e koso ho na hwe ye omo comments na hwe ye omo posture ha wonim say for the first time in Ghana history say ye declare elections results na to say the microphone si manimi sada e koso na anwumre be 7 o'clock na ye che good afternoon nti akwakwa say we no ayama na boroso and see look electoral commission wo ho say wa hwiye no wa hwiye betuwe magana jatum nti si antrase ne anka no kura ewu na jatum a media ba ebi abashi o wonim de bebra wo ane se de osie wadwuman na ahwiye asebesebi ebi na wona ekobase bi a wonam ba bi a wudwane na he ba eno na e wo se eka na no koka Shadrack meka cho say hey your mama go ka say yisi e independent we autonomous nti enne ma yankasa sabre no okasa in what context enne in what context hwe eye chronology am dia ma abesi e sabre enti se ye pese yisi no etumi na adwuma no eni yi a sometimes mampanyin no anase a constitutional right
okay
and privilege na mampanyin wo say wo memfa eduru obre so a yenye na sabe ho se wiase se obi koto se obi koto na nipa na sore afiri ho na eba na se bi ojanan eda ho no ma o ka se ho na ye se nipa na okoto no no enti brebra ma na nyere emma yisi ye nyina nim se Ghana institution bi eni wo no ma problem ni wo no ye ka ye procurement a breaches nsem ni wo no nsem ebri wo no ba bia bi wo no na aka say eye Charlotte say na procurement a breaches na ho die na ba enti na e pamo na na e dia ba bedu sabre na ma mi so ba ye nyina hu ai bi mkra say eye friend a Jezebel wo hwe ye say wo si ye no ma ya em say enshara moa enti say wa hwe ye ne ya ntoto no ma ya mi nuaba enya de be bo enti no e wo say e ka and this force ye Ghana for
Medasi, I'm a repeater for NDC. Tijisa me sign ba Rabre fa hobio because nkoma etosu mi you know onyanya ni time ti ma me nsamra ho Mr. River.
Menu ba Nyarko Abronoma ho fe. Medasi na unsam ya ode ma esi enke de etosu mi ensa no na wada o ma mpanyimfo pese yedi ho abobo ni yehwe se asema onimonyamfo serebo kweku okan se yentimi nsesa amanyokuo no etiri mu pɔ ene on adwen on ma yisifo na mmom ndi on dwumadi a omudi no on bedi no akoma pa ene akoma fan mu nyesa ɛwɔ no na menua pani amanwuru a ɛhyɛ asie wakai yes bra ye pam ye maame Charlotte sei ya se mankyire mu a obi adwen bɛyɛ ne se bia na nado danko akufu ado baaye ene wo pam no nso menua pani Samad enim ya menua pani amanwuru anso so nim se saa asɛbi mpo na nka ho si ye kai adwen pa menua ba wa kai around June say ya 29th of June 2018 na nsema ebeto abontin se ye maame eye George no poku amankwa ne panyini Amadu Sule onwa adwuma omudi ewo EC office no chimato bia ba beto ho amampanyimfo hwe mu no ya mom ho kwan se o montena nchen ne yemfa nipa foforo mra menyi ntumu da so it was established on any political platform or any legal system say na ado danko akufu ado na MPP for based on nsem bi no mo kan so ye ba isi no ni posture ne ade be yi no ntino ya pam no. These were matters that were based on law. Any facts say eniyama bi koya na enye ya ehwehwe mu no so no ye nyina ye nim enti mesre se ye kan nsema efa isi ho a ya na eye a bit delicate.
Okay.
So one hwe na se one kan yiye se de asem no te na obi ebedwen afa tirimpo foforo aka ho se de miam nu apan amanwuru aka yi osisi ye isi di ne dwuma no wandi ne yi a etima man krabo na se ye ka kwan a political parties efa so ne isi tena. One of the main reason or one of the main avenue ya political parties nya kwanya etimi express on sentiment their reservations no IPAC. Say nyina ebe kai a oman mu ayewe CTFM for a publish BB on the I think by April 2021.
Okay.
Yeah, no more kind say NDC for a boycott to IPAC. Ghana Web for publish here August 2022. NDC for a boycott to IPAC. Oko Ghanaian Times for a publish around 23rd April 2021. NDC for a boycott to IPAC. Ko graphic online 20th April 2023. NDC to return to IPAC. Political parties edge. Oko other news portals wo me phone so bebra metimi ayi di akire. NDC for on several occasions have never believed in even the IPAC. Yeah, set up as an avenue. Ye nyina ebetimi akọ as political party ni akwa dwendwen ɔman no ho wodi si ga na ndc for the si but so wo hwɛ time ana MPP were opposition we may have disagreed on some of the decisions IPAC take here but at every point in time led by the venerable honorable Peter McMahon Mpanyinfo, they have always visited IPAC to express their dissatisfaction and he said the general secretary ya no one no ababe chairman etim gina simpi so ka say yensi IPAC ne yensi watchina ni akwa akɔkyerɛ ya adwen na at the end of the day PNC for CPP for other political parties ni nyina ahia na se yɛkɔ bankuro mu sɛ ɛnɛyi minu aba Nyarko Abronoma ɛne host program ya na sɛ wo nko ano ayɛ wadwen sɛ wo no womfa megitum sɛ Dr. Sribu Kweku on ne ka yɛ meboa he has every right to say yɛntimi nsesa minu pani amanwura ɛne minu Erika J ɛne minu Sami Jamfi adwen a wɔn afa wɔ easy for don na mom yɛ de yɛbɛdi adwuma no fikɔ kama in fact I feel so sad send this mpanyimfo ne communicators ebetena fidies no mwaka about the political credibility of minu pani Dr. Apia hene say wako University of Energy and Natural Resources akwa pe ne nsɛmmotie ahwɛ kwan a ɔfa so di ne dwuma ebia media mpɔde me hu no political party platforms but me nua pani so hu no one na koda ho whatever the case may be no media megitum sɛ ɛtɔda bi a yɛma nipa ne su ne ban ɛne gidi a yɛbɛnya no wɔ nipa no mu no ɛnsɛn the political lens that we have enti me nua pani amanwura enti wo ka sɛ nneme ne wotie sɛ de me ne wotie ya famis sɛ menya adwuma wɔ isia na kyerɛ sɛ esan sɛ meyɛ MPP ni no ntino na kyerɛ sɛ mintimi ndi me dwuma sɛ obi a ɔyɛ right thinking person na ɛno asɛm bi a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kae ya ama me manya gidie kɛseɛ paa wɔ ne mu ɔse I have the ability to make decisions on my own. Okay. Ɔse I have the ability to take decisions on my own. This clarifies me misi gyina ma me ho ɛkyerɛ sɛ sɛ akonnwa no yɛde ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia irrespective of the adwen irrespective of the APA MPP for ne NDC for bi no bɛka no wama yɛate aseɛ sɛ sɛ wonya akwanya na ɔno no wɔde obetimi adwen no waka me ka si so dua sɛ easy for so they have been given a mandate and at every point in time in the works of the EC no they have taken decisions that has not been moved or in any way shaped by the political parties. Sabe, yeah, political parties no do one adwen chireba. Yenina kasi yeni say ya. And in fact, we will commend Dr. Afarijan. Ewo ne input or the buy. We will not condemn it. We will commend him. But yes, was ye fa. Say o mine. Now ye tilted towards that no. We will urge easy to take. But that does not mean say minuaba as some Dr. Afarijan kano absolute. And I bibia chenchina e was say fa. There be or children na dream say ganani or jitumu say e was say ye bibia ye tuyebo ni ye ne kakra. And the American is easy dear sabe memiti ya minkasa ma easy for. Mejitum se minu pani amangura nso nkasa ma yisifo but ye kasa ene ye manifesto ene ye plans no should not influence the EC in any way. Okay. Na eno no so nkyere se ye ntimi nya adwen bi a ebetimi akere se EC de o ye na there has been a lot of decisions that EC afa MPP as a political party we never liked them. Some of them ye metna abontin yaka ntimi sre se the panini no can yadia so the tunseniani no tie no on a very factual point of view. A chrese the on ye nina no yamfi ye ni achiri na momum ye maya dwene mu no nye fine esan say they will not do things to please any political party. Na masere so say this is an avenue ya ebe boama NDC for matimi abom modern na bibia yisi ye no mode mani ahwɛ mu yie ye kae a menua panyini wa ha time a ye to aba wie ye asɛm a ɛba bɛtɔ SOMPA FM ya edi ho nkomo pa ne sɛ isifo abobɔ number mienu ne niema ye gitum sɛ enko yie isifo I declare an election which we shouldn't have any niema pi but this political party ya me ofa everyone more for free say kwa onye the national chairman of the NDC osan eba bontin be ka kire say onu na manyokuo no kura otam MPP for any easy for court no they could not collect their resource so ya kunti the American say the here pa ya was the NDC for ye say they should be able to build an internal system ya ebetimi abo mama manya gidie e won wankasa mo internal planning and collation because okay Nyarko in 2016 ade anchia no pa na Samia Uku the then national organizer and a group of young people tabulated and collated the results and ensured say ye hu de na ekonyina the same thing in 2020 ye election within 24 hours aye be declare no na MPP for ye timi ahye niema nyina hu say ye din kunima na say ye we that is not the same as the NDC enti say wo wan hye wo niema yie no wan toto niema yie a ebre bia no de so bo beba obi na mejitum say if they have a robust system planned and forecasted objective about elections you will not rely on EC to come and tell you what they shouldn't tell you. Yet, as a political party, we do not rely on EC. We would never rely on EC. Yet, the idea is ordinary directives. And then I say, Lawyer Justin Kodua from Pong, the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, or the timeline about. Ye di ejuma nyina ye orphan constituencies time ebeko super delegate conference time ebeko ye ready to follow these timelines ye work ya ye de ye nhwe easy for ne ye gitum so say easy di juma bi irrespective of the fact say wa ban mu na say nya we will condemn it yen so na mesre say NDC for nso hu bibi na nya they should say it as it is na to da bia na political propaganda no na from the NDC na doors no do.
Me say ora abrefa mensa o journey your live on Facebook now the messages no ato your live video na say Suleiman Muhammad no say eke Sule ko to krumo say obi antumi ndum Dr. Bawumia Kania no oya your next flag bearer sanfie the next president of Ghana NDC members betumi atwa ntrododo bi a omope omonya court nsem bi a omope na so the hiane se mo beko IPAC no majai unnecessary noise no say long live Ghana, long live the NPP, the battle still remains the Lord's. Na Victor Akolija Victor me pacho will send them no ye money saya now the acheme why and I say Amaskopi you are the best of all from Victor Adumako that say messages the neba Bekin Kandia, me won kakra, Smedua Nanum na mefeltie for Mamma Shas of Banuru, Bibi or Hoko Frabacana said the last conversation, no person Udi Kakre be so
last conversation. But before then, I think that my brother Shadrach actually me pictures be I saying on SNK the Greek minister man.
Oh
yes, because se initiative ne and more to ensure that youth winger what that's so in terms of youth employment agency.
Maybe so obi joining your live on Facebook and come on Nuru kan ho asem.
Yes, I think say bibia
no MCR for ne so the bi buy na.
Bibia chere say you don't leave an innovative young guy like this and Kofa will be the big boss.
A project of YE.
Yes.
For a 250-acre farmland, a Wenchi Branham, oko Savannah region utra subinso
okay
2019 ye hyase na afi nso ye bo ye homoden se ye be ko na mom ye dika adua watermelon
masa di we wa ya de because obi ye agric minister ye hu won ko gina ba bia nka se we na wa ye won ko gina ba bia nka se we na wa ye and I pray say
watermelon fu ne ho
kaka ye o nyina watermelon ye ti watermelon no pa ana ye wi ana fi ye dua aburo no e wasase no so
nyame ma wa hoden na
oh your warehouse kese pa ho factory no
mama menkasa yes inti these are the people are in here so mbe manage your agric sector say baby awo yes oda youth ano now this initiative and nature say we a good leader nti me bo ambassador na Michelle nkran say kosoye na the sky and now say we no sky will be the limit. We all pray. Regards to the last topic, chairman Sabonsu say, Omunya botre na the mpanyimfo be hia no omo decided as to decision on be take yafa oforiata. I think say a very good you say yet, but I check, you understand, and do stage bi aya na nuema bi wo hwa obeka na no me meki ayibi me koduru fie na omo yo obe me say ayekwe say na na do aye me kura no enya ne sa onya me kura yes onya me kura but nuema bi wo hwa me susu say nka gidi ayede yenyama no e wo 2016 before obeye president no nuema ne bebre wo ho ana former president Mama ya ye susu se da bi se yesesa na wo ba no sa nuema ne nyina na bae no wa behye mu kena you understand wa be ya ma wa graduate wo ho nti ama u defend no ana ayeden se nyesa man na yebu wa yi obi wo de ebetima aba ne say yes ye ka Shadrack asemu will be one office nim you understand no this idea yi ba ya omoye ni ayi but in the one nya credit no e bia ye kan ikura no ofuriata ye kan ne policies bi no mo ho ne nwema bi a wa ya wo president wani aso ho a o feel say wo yi nu anye yi you understand but maye hwenye nyina na ebe hu de but say eba ne say nipa suwa mana koduru say omo asuwa ma omo akandifo a ewo constituencies dia koduru parliament na aduru wanimu a na esusu say ade no eya ade a say o tiki ho decision kakra but ekwowie say this say call IMF ba and stuff anti IMF nso nyame adom kakra ba waye ni ese oye per the promise president ma omo ndi right say omo nso esusu say o aba no de na hwan ene ye de be call and start but the truth is that menye so say ofuriata ye obi a na nado besesa no and won prepared nso so besesa no nti America say you see political financing no a eya party wo opposition na ye jama nipa binum se omonko a enko ho ka no wo a wo tia mu no contribution ne den e wo 2012 o contribution ne den e wo 2016 abra party ni struggle so obeba power no
okay
you understand nti se eba ne se bia oforiata make a very good investment serious investment bia eboa ye eni nipa binum investment ma party ni aba power menye so se nanado be you know ungrateful say emfa ho ne eko so obeka say ofuriata nkotina actually then I think that sa call no de omo leader dada abra omo kan ya president can say one jam omo wi IMF nsem at the end of the day IMF say economy starting movie say starting movie say ne omo si kan yankasa nso yehu say ye wura yi mu no say ni na prices si jump na say stabilize say sa wo sesa no de hwan aba manipa na abaye den you understand and you know I think that is about time so omo ntia say say share collective problem ni nyina ye nyina mfa as a party se nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a anko ye yɛnte aseɛ na yɛngyae individuals a yɛyi ɔmo as being the cause of problems a yɛfam you understand nti no yɛyɛ ne saa ɛbɛboa but ɔmo mfa saake ɔmo adwen ma bia nyɛ na adwen sɛ kyina yɛ ɔmo kɔtena sɛ ɛma nana ayi no ma ayi wɔyɛ na adwen saa will be disappointment and will be fainty because one yet.
Okay, I can be on. I said, I'm no because me use Nanado. They don't threaten me. You see, Nanado, Nipa or no, they don't threaten him. You see, the pride in this man. You see, this is a man on one party. 2020 constituency to abama ni nya do paaro Kwabri East obiko bisa and said you to bisa asem ye di asem amafo omukra de troba you say omuso omukwa no ya ometro wa tiemu asem no kan me they don't threaten me ompo omko troba me this year and see so here Kanofori atas me ya sabe bi nyina ye mpanyifo akra nsem bi won mo ebia ontumi kan direct. But many are in routine. You should get an idea. Say, oh, here, Akua say, Kenoforata or Taneka. Sika or the so party as an Nanado, one way I catch and say, on Pamno. Meanwhile, Ghana for you. And see, look, and tell me, say that arrogance in a political arrogance. Sometimes wrong. Resha for crambono. Oh yeah, it doesn't mean be a nipano, be a human or in Winnie. Sometimes I be a nipa crabbing your confidence. Be a maker and a canoferata. The course we crumble, Ebia and your own. And to wait me as a son. What's Sacra and I mean for some a son here you cry, you can say, Sana canoferata crowing netting. Eh, sometimes this is the reason I tried that change. Say a bobo say, nay, society will be. Amobiaba because my yes be a nipana or ban in Boston, the original. Maybe at that time, no one could inform. Yet, well, see and train my inquiry. I'm from Yakama. And I've told you, see, Nana didn't be say, we are reliable. When you'll be reliable, there's a work in okay, you may be. And some kind of opposition or buy, so no say, or better than no one year. Uncle resign. Can I do this? You should be the first person. Young as I bring resign. Or resign, and you see, and I mean, make as a mechanic when you can you. You see, so and I do not mean you every fat or the Mamma Pessa, Mamma, the Buff, the Bean, if you or Jim Cody. So, and I say, so, sir, or sir, a year, a Canofriata, dear, where me nim, dear, a betting. Now, dear me, Yapa was as we a year MPP, a year 88 MPs. Later on, I think we will into something. Yeah, this year we buy out a bekasai. How would decide when your Fabinum time? Eugene, a Subin AMP. Eugene. And some men, and a man for Anka and Fano. And a year at that MPs. No. Intimidate as a much moot me. See, Bema, yes, Bema since me, answer Waham. And may let tell you, be a bedroom an hour. Send this in a me, I don't know. Sɛ no man koyi na me catch them party na nyi ya me betuma betena radio so aka say masa de mo ye na nye ade na Ghana fo e see politics no me am tie no yi sebe na me adom ye adwuma kakra e bia ka me ko ga bia me nye politics but for e bia nipa bi nti
okay
sebe ya me nu ya ti say ashara ko yi me nu pa shadak say me pamwa bia na shadak betumi di aboa NPP ni no betumi di aboa me na yi I want to believe say he will do it. And that is what we should be doing. Okay. We should be thinking about the Nipano Mobreno. Na you hear papa yi, the Koso, Obama figure, now in the Yakra, Obama figure we, now Obama figure we, now Dr. Baumia, as you have been also to team. Oh, here, papa, Ninsam Walker, your ya, and Queen for my. And see, sometimes when you do that, so to Mrs. Sacrampuna, it took my confidence, a buy economy. And they are more bondia quaji a car, as an idea baby. I am a fanako. Etin ya yin mani ba bitua e dia ba ma say no asa no me koye e say ekrampo nyina ekrampo chi wonu say me inflation wonu say asa akọ F42 so what are we saying ntime de papa no e ka me nko nka onsesa no ba no na do aminim ni de hey tintintinti onsesa no da
me say amanra zabrefa ma menyo di ansa na ma wura tiefo
menu aba Nyarko Abronoma mejitum se be mpanyimfo bubre ebebi yesi nka usuma brewa ba bi obeto de se ya nanka njeda mfa ho enti se nka niema na za na muntu MPP fo ebetu ya edi onyini ene niema boni beba de ene de mejitum se nanka enu mpo nanka ndisi fo so musoso but se de minu epani nuru kan ye no to da bia na adwen no eya eso yenya gidie wo na Akufo adum no obaaye na ne gidie na ye wo no antimi ambassador ne ye pe to da bia ye ka ya na ye wura fi niema binum asi nanu ya ye fenisen World Bank sorry IMF open pa time ye call IMF no ordinance nsem betudwa o kire mu the progress that Ghana made in 2017-2018 ya na Ghana si sabi mpuntuo kwan so ya brichie e boye ma de yete ye nyina yenim ya ka ndisi force me yanka se covid aba minim se bia Ghana angwa na si ya ka mo se ma yanka se Russia for ko attack Ukraine but ene ye wo World Bank country director o Ghana ha Nyarko o de beto ye nim se financial malfeasance adi Ghana dem eni sikapudu a ye giye a amwa Ghana ye kanko eni ye mpuntuo no nyina e hyase within the period of 2013 to 2016 yes asem no enye me na make World Bank for country director ne kan sabe na no me kan krata bi na ye nua bi a obaya kama te se wa bruchire na owo kraman bia no wo fe na so opia na wagya kraman no amane ba no ne di agoro sa ade a waya da bi ofri dwombae no na kraman na no nyina ye moja afa akoda no oja no ho no hwe no hu no na ko fa ba no de bo kraman po no kun kraman afa ohwe mpa na chi a o se ye pia ne akoda no akoto mpa no atifi ho baabi ya afa humanity hwe mpa na se a premre kese pa na kraman no ahwe no amana no nyina ye moja sana obeduru ye no wanto ne bo anhwe de enti akraman no no wo moja no onimso wa hwe akoda no a premre no na mom na wa hwe premre no nyina asevu akoda no sometimes we rush in taking some decisions yanhwe yi a unwie no na afede sa decision na oteki ye no ase bibia me chitum za Ghana for ene nananom mpanimfo they have given the new patriotic party a 4-year mandate and after the 4-year mandate we will account to the people be there be amekas ene Ghana for ani afi pa sabi mpreduasa yeah you cannot lie to the ordinary Ghanaian. People vote based on facts. In 2024, amafo bebi o mani o. Enye nsema ye kan kwa ye de niema besisi ni ani. Na no ye kokumawu. Minu ya manwura efo wala anyo Erika J. Ene NDC fo am wo kopse mu nyina communicators kotena kumawu ekosi sen. Ene ye ko ye friend sen asin of. People make decisions not because of MPP for campaign omoye or the NDC for ye. Nipa bie yani na sabe mekasama MPP die nanso I know say in 2024 people will based on facts development in the atuaba enti say majority in parliament led by the honorable Seche Mensa Bonsu SS yemma majority for kwan no mo ntenase no mo debate na omo hwe omo adwene mo hwe say asem no a ye de kodan mo mpani say finance minister ye pese oyi na konwa free neto no so on pese omo to aso a bijitum say it is a good call ni ye yade a ye nyina ye take the due process so e beti ase eno no nkire say be mo bi a finance minister de boa party no abra ye to aba enti na ne order so te ho metimi aka say there have been a lot of dismissals MMDCs CEOs binumu ampanyimfo atimi yi omu nkonwa free omu asen because they did not perform according to standard. But I want to say on authority say the new patriotic party leadership any abanya otia konwa isu na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ni parliament ehu say who here said Brayomi or see my finance minister free swa, Ebemanesi. Now, Mom say, your hands so as a beboya at the end of the day, Mejitum say in 2024, people will see the merit of the reason why he was maintained.
May I say, my member for 0543 989 989 247 989 989. Good evening, Udini baby Alfred Free.
No, Nyarko, good evening. Nyarko, can you
who tell me and you marry?
Many of them, they can't tell me anything. So, Mother Nana, a very easy boss, almost. Nyarko, in time, I can't think. Nyarko, some of them a pen pound with the idea channel pa. Yabonzano, so my car crime. My car, number 15, number 10. Kasi na do na India say we see what to. Spare part boy is being to. Ya put up for o mama to condemn. Aka condemn the car abre. Ebia o remember here number A and number C. Here the condemn. We am ya so. We condemn for no. 2020 it is condemn what on. Spare part boy so range over to. Oh, that kind of business or phone on them and for another. Namia by our way. And another as a Yuma Ogunsi, Oguma binary. Now was it 2024 mobile. Dunya, Munu, and was it.
May I say, good evening, Udini baby Alfred Free.
Allah.
Kwame be a giant quantity way.
Oh, Baba, a boa basso. I can't idea about you about what you are saying about the general. Baba, my mentor, you are subject. I prefer mention. I will be a who did that. And I do not want to account. And to put on anything. Abronoma, my let's the Alahad. Doctor, Mahamu Dubaumia, said, Nakupa said that Shirano, when you now you for what kind of Baumia, Nakupa city in the Nebre, if you ain't stuck in Kenya from Kuntanity. Now, Nyarko, you have spare pass. Yeah, John Dramani Mahama, who are tall pots on a party and Marco Hibru, and fear by your 10 years a day. Boniba Yadi, as in a Ghana for now. I could fall down so I can pack. I didn't need to from there. Nyarko, your honor say a size duty with whatever duty. Our pot. They are forces half 50% at working. If you are 50% here, they have to purpose dealers to go into your pack.
May I say, good evening, Udini baby Alfred Free.
Good evening, Obapa.
May I from Patron to you? You.
Oh, man, fight them. I'm fat that legacy. I'm that. And I'm young for that drug. Abo for me answer for what because the other M some pass white officer one na bank ekusieno oko here e yakake and also boaduma and make sure sinyon is in waye anabo ndi for lawyer me chem anabo bo afọ ya ane director ya gabi Ethiopia na ayana me busa mini indisi gan highway indisi mran ana gan mran sunsun ye woman na adent na indisi e na ajunse Ghana onna bo Ghana ya ne dia ese ni potom a wo de Ghana tse kosia e de sen potom ya kan we asin of impin aya tintin to bi wo ha uya na nkakakura ya boko aye edomu sekendi ya nyina ye nisu papa no sambara na ewe kono ono so ana onso tom so we say ya fa ya say okofie nke srem ni sensa pa onko bo se we boys and we so boys.
May I say, good evening, Udini baby Alfred Free.
Ibrahim Abangani have a mem cancer.
Me patcho enti you.
You nearby Nikiapa na mesro say next time mo program no we nyina yitie pa afoma nyina tie mu nti say callers no aya na obi ba mesre ya say enchia no piano ya na do so dodo amaye bibiri nyina tire pese ebadi so bi tiri so mu atia nti say wo ne phone wo ne number ho no mu a program no wo ka say wi na ofre na tia no obete akakra me esre kanu na yenye NPB ni ya wakan sendi wo honum na me ntiatie papa se abirowsum no a so kwakoto ba bia na ba bia obakwakoto na yen ndi sifo asem enti no omunyai ma oman ne mo ensa na ye ka ho asem Ghana hu kire bebrebe we a ewo hoyi a Ghana fo ewuoi ma obia nka bi yenyai ma oman ne se oman ne nkola se sebe ya ndi sifo ba be fapa wantinu yenyai ma oman ne wu ensa na yen kasa na Dimisre says asam na wakan ni de entwe asam kakra me kanon.
May that say good evening. We didn't be free.
Good evening, Abronoma, Papa B.
Chorus call Papa B and Queen.
Good afternoon, Michelle. I'm in trouble. What be the for you now? Good in Amasco, any breakfast, Michomina. I'm interested in by the channel. Just the money, Mamma, the bill be right now. It is the only, yeah, I can come. I'm a gun. As I said, people will join. I'm okay, just say, no, me, over. Can it be from here? Some other to see. On the end of it, and the cabinet be the Genoa, not check here, on money. Don't mean of me free. Economy and for the first time, I was economy number 42 point something. A bit that inflation number 14%. A bit that. Not for me, I'm saying some trouble, man. Tell me, you don't see now. You say that the women can talk to Mama. As I say, Mama, digitalization and digitizing Ghana. A kind dictator center is what NTA officer to infinity and Gerakan. As a mama, internet 50 kilometers of radius. What is the name? Fiber optic. How this shouldn't free a car. Because it's Tamalicho Mataba car. Episode Tamani, a car into my trainer optic fiber optic. Going on about.
May I say good evening. My last call and patrol didn't be free.
Yeah, Cocoreka.
Credica, patrol ain't you.
That's it. Mamencha Bijafo. It is possible with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Number 1 year director, Basunia Briefer. On Seminia Samed Bor, Abifa Basona Bois. So, yes, you may have. We are what's our type and now by and yet. And you may be a briefer and ye piano, and you're not buying Namani in our day. So, I can say, until you papa, a bino no by an eye. And then digitalization on your area. There's still been a start here. Into me and one abaso. And you're Ghana Sika here. And I Ghana Sika. And then one a colon here. Into your best. And I have commercial idea back. And the moon to take said, which is abusing word and insult, which is a thief, no near. Then we are masco. Meaning to on Tessa, and so no, I say, that kind of words, the way you thief, way you see, I see a back on my things, sir. It's yes, cut the Nipan Aye.
But I say, Miss Roma, me fancy mirror, me fatter me, na me fancy. Yeah, sorry na. Here, Brenna Swan say a day, Yammy some etwas with Tonti, and Mr. Brifian, sorry, and Pong.
I said, you can't carry, Medaminia critical, Medomine, after falling in us. Na near my papa, youth employment agency, and then no say ya farm rantier and Mabawa, almost 17,500 in addition to Jumadia ED. In ye or Mampani Nanado Danko Kufuado, any MPP are buying the ye. And to war when you did the ye youth employment, the NEIP 4 year, the labor ministry 4 year, the finance ministry 4 year, you know, it's a news to the entire success of the new patriotic party. Namaka say, yeah, poised for action. You know, same fear 9 Ghana for the Amaye. Ma and Sama and DC 4 canum be a bum. Ye be Kunkodin, ye be some Ghana for a kumapam, na ya bompire and so tie. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufuado Chi. Mijitu say, we had them Mabuna, ye dear Chiri, ye akumum, see a somnia somno sumpamuno. Yankopon so beton superguso. na at the end of the day no yɛ nyinaa yɛhu sɛ nneɛma papa a yɛahyɛ aseɛ no Nyankopɔn bɛboa ama yɛatoa so Nyako nim sɛ yɛ ana 2008 no Nyako nim yɛ yɛka kofoɔ deɛ kofoɔ yɛ mentie deɛ maama yɛyɛ nti megye tom sɛ yɛbɛka deɛ Nana Akufo-Addo ayɛ na aboa ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nso so ne deɛ no atumi atoa so na yɛkɔ yɛnim waano nyame nhyira mo nyinaa
nyame nhyira obia nyame nhyira mo sɛ mobile owura Shadrack Abrefa Mensa NPP Repita Manura NDC Abdul Samad Nuruddin for PNC Joe ni me producer Mr. Brown etna MCR me ni Nyarko Abronoma nyame mo ye sorry na fei ye de nyame sam krogen ye de ye be ko soro ahemma mama ye nkwagye no e de to aso.
This is SOMPA